What's up, people, and welcome back to another live stream that we are once again doing here on the stream, on the channel. So absolutely very cool that everyone is right there tuning in here once again to the channel. I see already 300 of you guys are tuning in here, and yesterday, unfortunately, we were not doing a live stream here, but today we are back with another live stream. So guys, I see a lot of people are freaking out in the market, but what we are doing here right now with Bitcoin is certainly very, very interesting. So guys, I will be, of course, going into the charts today, and of course also going to talk a little bit about my trades, because I was already saying to you guys that I was adding a little bit more to my position. So I also did so, and we will be going to that as well in a second. But first, let's discuss Bitcoin in the 4-hour. If I get a clean chart in front of me, and if I disable all these indicators, what can you see over here? This clearly looks like a hammer candle. So this candle, previously with this doji candle in indecision, still, we moved a little bit to the downside, but then we were seeing this very, very nice wick getting created on the lower sides, and this is definitely a thing that is making me feel pretty bullish, because there is still a lot of buying orders in the market. People are still willing to step into the market, and it's also a thing that I'm looking to do so. So also, if we flip on the EMA ribbon, you can see over here, previously in the bear trend, it was acting as resistance. Here it was also acting as resistance, and since we were breaking above it, you can see it was acting as support over here. And right now, once again, guys, we're flipping the EMA ribbon into support, previous resistance, of course, right now flipping it into support. And also, if you quickly set up a horizontal level, from this level over here, you can see we were finding resistance about this level as well here. We were finding resistance over here. We were finding resistance over here. Previous support also over here. And right now flipping it into support once again. So if you just look to the trend in general here, if I remove the EMA ribbon real quickly, if I also remove this gray box, and I see everyone is right now tuning in here, I see everyone is getting comfortable as well here. So very cool that everyone is once again tuning into the stream. But guys, what we are having here, if you generally look to the trends, nothing is going wrong here. Nothing is going wrong. We are once again setting a higher low. Each and every time we're setting higher lows, and this is still looking like a good trend. So there are multiple things that we can be discussing here on Bitcoin, and I see also very lovely that everyone is tuning in here. Rover, yeah, Rover, my boy, of course, back again with another live stream. I miss you guys. That was also the reason why I'm already going live here, because I cannot wait with going live. But guys, let's look at this chart as well. If you just purely look at this chart, if you purely look at the parallel channel here, and I can even extend it, let me see. Let me do this real quickly. Let me double click this one and extend on the left side, right side, like this. So what we are seeing here right now is that we're clearly trading in this channel, and this is of course a bullish channel, because we're setting higher lows each and every time, and we're setting higher highs in each and every time. So my reason to also add a little bit more to my position is because we are right now trading at support, and clearly once you're trading at support, it's more likely to see a bounce to the upside than getting created than a bounce to the downside. So that is definitely a thing that I am keeping an eye out. And also, guys, if you're in the Discord server already for a long period of time, you know that we are keeping you guys up to date. And you also know that I was discussing this 20-day moving average. Guys, if you look to the daily candles here on Bitcoin and you flip it to the 20-day moving average, this is looking extremely bullish, because we were discussing this moving average already for a longer period of time, guys. We were discussing this already for quite a while. And we were discussing this over here once we were getting rejected. And I was telling you guys, okay, first we have to see a breakthrough of this level before I can flip bullish once again. So what we did here, we had multiple rejections of this level, but since we closed the daily above it, of course, we are right now clearing resistance, and we can be flipping it into support. So that's also a clear thing that we did so today. So you can see we exactly touched this level. We exactly touched this level, and of course, already gained a very nice bounce from it. So in my opinion, the market is still looking very good here, because just like you can see over here, always once you're breaking above it, you first have to have another retest, test this 20-day moving average as support, and then you can really head towards new to all-time highs, of course. So that is, of course, also a lovely thing to see here. I love to see Bitcoin, of course, increasing a little bit more in valuation. Of course, also having still loads and loads of trades active, guys. Still, I am in huge trades, and let me quickly check it. So Chris is also saying, hey, did you already found a video editor? Yes, I already edited the video, but I don't know when I'm going to upload it, because maybe I'm still going to change some things here. So, of course, guys, you can expect a video about the exit strategy. And also, I'm talking in that video about what I'm going to do in the bear market to still make some good passive income, because that will be very important in my opinion. And also, let me quickly take a sip of my coffee, guys. So I see everyone wants to make a video for me, so that's of course very nice. And also, don't know if you see it already, we switched it over to a new thumbnail style. I hope you guys like it. I mean, it's a little bit more interaction, and you know who I am, of course, on the channel. So that's of course very cool. Also, some other changes in the Discord server. If you're already familiar with the Discord server, you can go there. And if you cannot see the channels right now, you have to do the CAPTCHA. You first have to do that because we are doing this, guys. A lot of people are asking, what are you doing with the Discord? You first have to do that because you have to verify yourself, because then we can get rid of these bots. Because there are a lot of bots in the Discord server that are trying to scam you, and we are getting rid of them, of course. Search Capital saying, finally new thumbnails. Yeah. Of course, they are just beta versions, so probably going to make better versions. But I mean, it's good to start off with a new style, right? So let me quickly look into the trading challenge, guys. Let me quickly look at the competition, because there were some things going on here. Because you already know this account CR is live, is from me as well. And I was sitting around 200% with this one. But this is, I clearly got screwed over here, because I was adding more to my position on this account, because I'm still in a trade. And let me get it in front of you. Because I was adding more to my position. And because I was adding more to my position, the average percentage went way lower. And I didn't know that, otherwise I should not done it. Because that is clearly pushing the team value a little bit lower. But let me get this this other chart in front of you, because probably you guys are also thinking, what did you do? What did you do with that trade? So you can see the trade over here. It's right now sitting around 5.2k profit. But I added a little bit more to my position. And because of that, also the ROI went lower. Of course, it's pretty stupid for me. But I will be, of course, running this one to new optimize. I don't think that I'm going to flip this one into the negative. Of course, once we're really going lower, I will be looking to exit the trade. But for now on, the trade is still doing good. I'm in with a 70x, so that's the reason why I added a little bit more. It's pretty high leverage. Of course, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. But I got a very nice entry on this one, of course. Way lower. I entered this one around the 50.2k as well here. So that is, of course, a very nice entry target. And also with my other account, let me flip it in front of you as well, because I want to show the trades real quickly here. Because also, if you look to this account over here, this one is also in 7.2k profit. I haven't added to this account yet here. I'm planning to write this one a little bit longer. And of course, yeah, it's just in very good profits. And of course, I'm looking forward to see this one also flipping extremely into the green here. I'm trying to write this one to 80k. I'm trying to write this one to 100k. So let's see what we can do here, of course, all together on the channel. Because I think these trades are very good. And yeah, definitely will be making a step back towards at least P3 here in the trading competition. Polkadot is pumping. So yeah, guys, let's discuss Ethereum. And after I discuss Ethereum, we will be, of course, going into Polkadot and these other cryptocurrencies as well here. So guys, also, I see right now having 778 people right now watching the stream. So it would be, of course, very amazing if you're right now also smashing up these likes, guys. I see we're only 42 likes away. 42 likes away before reaching the 200 likes already. And we just started the stream off for 10 minutes. So it would be very cool if we can reach the 200 likes already. So guys, let me know if you also like the video. I will be redrawing this a little bit here, because you can see we got a significant rejection here on the price section of Ethereum. And I see everyone saying, why can we have a mug? Okay, so I will promise you already, if we're going to reach 1,000 likes in the stream, I will be giving away a mug. So that's also another reason to smash up these likes right now. That will be, of course, very cool. We will also go into CME gaps, guys. Just give me a second. We're just starting off the stream for 10 minutes. There are so many things that we have to discuss today. And yeah, we will be, of course, definitely discussing everything. So if you look to the Ethereum price section, we were discussing Ethereum early on already, and we were feeling pretty bullish about Ethereum. Of course, recently there came some news out here for Ethereum. Was looking very good. Visa, of course, using the Ethereum blockchain. And Chris Scherer, thank you for your donation. And you were saying, what do you think about Market Cipher? I think it's a very good indicator, because there are multiple indicators combined. I don't think it's a bad one, but I'm not already using it. But what we are seeing here with Ethereum, of course, sorry, I was completely went out of my story, because Chris was distracting me here with his super chat. So you can see we have clearly 3 touches here on the top side. So this is, of course, acting as very significant resistance. But what you also can see right now for the price action of Ethereum is maybe you don't have a lot of touch points yet. But if you already call these 2 touch points enough, you can see that we're also forming a symmetrical triangle here on the price action of Ethereum. And this is a huge symmetrical triangle here. And a thing that I definitely want to see here, to be honest, is Ethereum moving a little bit more to the downside and of course heading towards this level and showing the significance that it can be providing support over here. Because if we're doing this, of course, we're solidifying a third touch. And once we're seeing a third touch, you can see this pattern is way more valid. And of course, right now looking at the 4-hour and the higher the time frame, the more significant the breakout will be. So I think it can be a quite significant breakout, and especially already this resistance line over here is just already acting as very strong resistance. You can see already a lot of touches on this level, and we can't break through it. So for Ethereum, I do think we're going to see a massive volatility in this coming month here. Also, the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is still looking good here. And in my opinion, yes, we're still going to see a move to the upside getting created for Bitcoin compared to Ethereum, because Ethereum is just likely to blast off to compared to Bitcoin. It's always going into waves here. And right now, it looks like for the past 2 months that Bitcoin was winning from off Ethereum. But I do think Ethereum can be gaining some territory back. And of course, we were discussing this already for a long period of time. And I always say, buy the lows, sell the highs, and this is right now literally the opportunity that you're having here with Ethereum, that you can buy the lows. So in my opinion, yes, we're going to see this move to the upside getting created, but it's really a matter of time, guys. So Captain Jack Sparrow, thank you for your super chat. You're saying 1K likes is a mark. Yeah, that's definitely true. Russ Farmer, bro, I received my mark. Thanks. That's absolutely very cool to hear, Russ Farmer. From the USA, so of course, sometimes, guys, these mugs can be taking, let's say, 2 to 4 weeks till they arrive, but in the end of the day, they will be arriving. So very lovely to hear that, Russ Farmer, that you received your mug already. So Chris Scherer is saying, sorry to be so annoying. I love you, bro. I love you as well. Thank you for the super chat, of course. Good evening, my dearest Dutchie. Say hi, please, my love. Yes, of course. Of course I say hi, but I mean, Ethereum is still giving you the opportunity to accumulate low, to buy low, and it can definitely increase here to the upside. And this will be an increase of approximately 50 towards 60% to compared to Bitcoin. So this is looking very good. It's looking very good, guys. And of course, taking a small coffee. Hey guys, let me know, how's the weather at your place? Because I live in the Netherlands and it's a very, very nice day today, and I am of course enjoying it. So we discussed Ethereum. Let's go into Polkadot, because people are saying to me, Polkadot is pumping to the upside. And yes, I cannot ignore this one, because Polkadot is indeed pumping to the upside, and we are loving to see Polkadot, of course, pump. I mean, it's not not only love Polkadot seeing pumped, we love the whole cryptocurrency space. But guys, for all the Polkadot holders, I mean, I'm also a big Polkadot holder, and what are we willing to see here? Because if you look to the price action of Polkadot, you can see we were clearing this stealth downward trend. We were clearing this line, of course. It was also the reason because Bitcoin was pushing down. You can see Polkadot was just following Bitcoin. And where Bitcoin is, of course, dropping very quickly for the past 8 hours, you can see Polkadot is only increasing in valuation since the past 8 hours. So yes, Polkadot is indeed pumping to the upside, and I do think it is likely. It was a 10% move to the upside, so if you catch this one, you were doing a very good job. And Captain Jack Sparrow, I'm not sorry, I'm annoyed. That's true. No, just kidding. You're a legend, of course. And already your mark is also on the way, because Captain Jack Sparrow, you won also a mark, but it can be maybe taking 3 to 4 weeks or so, because the USA, once I have to ship to all the way to the USA, it can sometimes takes a little while. So you have to be careful. You want to be patient, of course. But guys, what we are seeing with Polkadot, of course, it is very likely. What we were earlier saying already, it's very likely to get a bounce from off this level. Like you can see, multiple touches, multiple wicks getting created. But guys, we are just clearing, making a very clear support line, but also we have a very clear resistance line. Of course, you can maybe set up a gray box a little bit better, because sometimes you don't exactly touch the top. But in general, if you're heading towards these higher sides from off this gray box, you're most likely going to find very strong resistance. So what I do want to be seeing here for the price action of Polkadot, because I do believe in the project of Polkadot, and I also do believe that it can give us some insane returns, and that we are just starting off here. So what I do want to be seeing for the Polkadot price action is, of course, a breakthrough of this level of the top side. And once we're breaking through, I want to see a retest, because if we're getting this retest, of course, we will be activating all our trades here on Famex, because I love to trade, and of course you love it as well. And of course I want to take some more trades altogether, and that is also the thing that we are trying to do here, of course, every single day in the streams. And people are all wondering which digit is it right now, and it is around the 39 US dollars and 78 cents for the retest. But first you want to see this break above it, above the line. And yeah, in my opinion, like I was saying you already, they were going to see a clear reversal in the trend. I will be deciding only to trade in Bitcoin. So yes, I'm still trading only in Bitcoin. Of course, I've also a minus swing trade active on Ethereum. That one is of course on my private account, but yeah, looking forward to do that as well. But guys, what we are right now having here with Bitcoin is very interesting, of course, because I do think that you have a trading opportunity. I do think that you have right now a position to open your long position. Right now an opportunity to open your long position. Of course, this right now on the 1 hour, and this pattern is usually only. I mean, not usually. This pattern is only valid on the 4 hour. But yes, there's clearly an opportunity for Bitcoin to trade it right now. I do think if you're looking for trades, you have to be looking for long positions and not for shorts. Because why should you trade against the trend here? Because we're still in our trend, and you cannot ignore the fact. And I see a lot of people are still very bearish on Bitcoin. And I mean, yes, you can be bearish on Bitcoin, but I mean, we're right now seeing all these things coming together. The dominoes are falling. It's first Visa, then it is PayPal, then it is Tesla, of course. And which one will be the next? Will it be Amazon? Will it be Apple? They will be buying as well. Will it be the government? Guys, please don't stay behind here and get exposed to Bitcoin. And also Messi donating, and you're saying, love from me and my brother. You're arguably giving one of the best TAs of crypto. Keep it up, my mate. And Messi, this is truly valuable to hear. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, bro. I truly love it that you guys are always so supportive. And yeah, thank you for supporting the channel, of course. And so I see also a lot of people are discussing ADA right now, because of course I'm also loving ADA and holding a huge bag of it. But for Bitcoin, I should not trade against the trend. Of course, you can be opening a short position, but if you're really willing to open a short position, I do want to be seeing a pretty red candle over here, breaking the support line, and then of course a retest, because then you can be opening a short position. And also, guys, if I'm seeing this fake out to the downside, I will be exiting my long positions, and I'll be right away keeping you guys up to date in the Discord server. So definitely make sure to keep an eye out of it. Also on Twitter, probably going to update you guys all. But I am not looking to ride my longs to the reds to all the way to the red, because if we're really going to see a clear breakdown, I'll be definitely going out of it. So Captain Jack Sparrow also donates, and truly lovely to see you also supporting the channel. I mean, so many super chats already coming in here where we are just starting off the stream, and you're saying, hey, that's my top chat spot. That's pretty funny. Captain Jack Sparrow, you are very funny. So let's do ADA. I see. I said once I said ADA. I see people already saying in the chat, yes, let's do ADA. And of course, that's it, my boys. Let's do ADA. And of course, also, if we're going to reach the 30K live in the stream. First, I was saying I'm going to give away 0.5 Ethereum, but I will be giving away 3 Litecoin to 10 different people, guys, because the transaction fees are a little bit less on Litecoin. So definitely make sure to get up to date here. Make sure to ring the bell notification on the channel, because we are going to do this live in the stream. We're going to make announce the winners also live in the stream. So make sure to subscribe already, because you don't want to miss it out here. 3 Litecoins will be given away here once we're reaching the 30K live in the stream. So, Tony, still waiting on my Instagram TA. Damn, bro. What is your Instagram TA? I try to look at it on Instagram, but sometimes I cannot look at it. I'm sorry, Tommy. What is your Instagram name? Let me quickly check it, bro. I don't know who you are. I see I have loads of DMs right now open, man. Honestly, I check it a lot. But sometimes I don't have the time, of course, to check. But send me another DM. Of course, we'll be looking into it. Just spam me. Just spam me. Of course, no, I don't like spammers. But let's look at Cardano, guys. We were anticipating Cardano forming an ascending triangle. So what we can be seeing right now is also that we are, just still playing in this ascending triangle. And what I do want to be seeing here for the price section of Cardano is, of course, first, I want to see a move down getting created here. Once we're retesting this level, people, really the people that want to accumulate more ADA, I should be looking to accumulate more ADA on the supportive line. And if you're not seeing ADA heading towards the supportive line, you can be maybe looking to wait a little bit. Of course, if you're only holding ADA, I think still it's a good buying opportunity right now. It doesn't really matter where you buy. If you buy at $1.25 or $1.19. It doesn't really matter for your holding position. I should already get exposed if you really like it. And guys, quickly, I think that I do want to be saying here, only 1 subscriber away from the 29.5K. We haven't reached it. Sometimes it updates a little bit later. But let's see if we can reach it anytime soon here. But for the Cardano price action, we're going to move to the upside, in my opinion, because we have this lines already gunning in here. And I mean, this supportive line is already showing a lot of significance, guys. And I do want to be looking at this scenario. Of course, I will be also going into the immediate short term in a second here. But this is, of course, a little bit of the bigger time frame on ADA. And if you zoom out, this pattern is just showing a lot of significance, because Man, guys, I do like to look at a little bit of the bigger picture, because the higher the time frame, the more time to anticipate a certain trade, and also the more significant the breakout will be here. So I do think that the breakout can be quite significant for the price action of ADA once we're seeing a breakout on the top side here. And it's also particularly easy to enter, because if we're going to smash through the all-time high, if we're going to smash through this level, I do want to be seeing a retest of the previous all-time high. If we're heading towards $2 and then going down towards this level, this will be still your entry target, because if you're entering on this level once we're having a retest of it, this will be providing very, very strong support. I know it already for sure. So guys, let's see what the ADA will be doing here in the coming days and coming hours. And just, if you look at the lower time frame right now, also getting another super chat, Matt, I will be going into it in a second. Give me a moment, because if you look at the lower time frames right now, you can see that we're also forming previous resistance into support on ADA. So this is, of course, very lovely to see. And if you look at this gray box scenario here, you can see on the left side of your screen, you can see we got stopped out of here. We got stopped out of here. We got supported over here. We got supported over here. And right now, once again, we are getting supported. So horizontal support is very good working here on the price section of ADA. And also, guys, we just smashed through the 29.5k already. Guys, we're heading towards the 30k. It is getting very close, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up these subscriber buttons. I truly love you guys. And yeah, if you purely look to this chart at the moment, I do think that we are creating a new downward sloping resistance line over here. You can see this line getting formed. This is, of course, on the 1 hour. Let's see what we're going to do here. But I do think a move to the upside is likely and probably getting rejected. And unless we're going to break through this, of course, having a retest, then we can be maybe looking towards the targets towards the $1.30. But let's see what ADA will be doing here. Because if I zoom out here, if I go to the 4 hour, I still feel extremely bullish on the price action of ADA here. I still feel extremely bullish. If we're having a retest of this level, is looking good. If we're going to smash to the upside, is looking good. But then I do want to be seeing this line getting broken. But in general, ADA is looking still very good if you zoom out here. So let me quickly discuss the super chat that you sent me. Matt Kelly, thank you for $5 US. And let me get it in front of me. You're saying I can only be logged into one trade, one trading account at the time. How do you seeing both your accounts on one computer? You can do multiple things here. You can multiple things, and this is also the thing that I love about Famex, guys. This is also a thing that I love about Famex. Let me get it in front of me. If I do this, let me see correctly. Can I get this other one in front of me? Yeah, it's here. It's over here. So I will make this one a little bit, yeah. I minimize this one. Look at this. How you can make multiple accounts. You can go here to the right, top to the right side, and you go here to just account settings. You go to, let me see, API management. You go to security and accounts, and if you go to security and accounts, and you go to, oh sorry, what I'm doing. If you go to sub accounts here, if you go to sub accounts, you can just make another account. You can make another account, add sub account. Look at this, you make another account and you can switch to this account and you can trade on a different account so you can counter trade yourself. And how good is this? It's insanely nice to have. I mean, you can switch over to multiple accounts, and of course, I just trade on literally different accounts and literally different browsers. But this is a thing that I also do with certain accounts here, because yeah, if you just want to have two accounts, if you want to counter trade yourself, and this is definitely a thing that I really benefit from Famex, you can just switch over to a different sub account. You can yeah, also deposit your Bitcoin to that account or so. So this is the way to do it, Mev Kelly. So you can create sub accounts. You just go to Famex and look at that, because there you can see it. Oh, I'm using Bybit. Is it possible here? No, Bybit, that's pretty unfortunate. I'm using Bybit as well, but for some personal trades, etc. I'm right now also in a long position on Bybit for Bitcoin. I'm not shorting Bitcoin. I'm already letting you know, but I'm a very low leverage with approximately 0.3 Bitcoin. But guys, I will be showing my trades on Bybit also later on. But if you want to sign up as well for Bybit, if you just like Bybit a little bit more, you can also use it in the referral link. But I mean, I just prefer using Famex at the moment. But no, you cannot use it with. You can't use it with. Oh, thank you, Tony. Sent you spam. Okay, thank you. I will be looking into it in a second. But Matt Kelly, I'm using Bybit. You're saying, and no, it's not. And it's not possible on. It's not possible. It's not possible on Bybit. So, Tony, you sent me a DM. And I see it. I will be coming back to you later. I told you already, I will be coming back to you later, because at the moment, I will be just doing the live stream. Otherwise, I will be sitting on my phone the whole time. Guys, we don't like that, right? We don't like me to be sitting on my phone. Check the huge cup and handle the 4-hour time frame. So, guys, that is also indeed a good thing, because you can see if we check this one, if people are saying check this huge cup and handle on the 4 hour, and this is definitely a thing that we can be looking at right now. And guys, I still feel very bullish about the market. I don't know. Let me know how you feel in the market real quickly in the chat. Are you bullish or are you bearish? Use an emoji. Say something cool in the chat, because I'm, of course, always interested what you guys think as well here on the market, of course. But yes, what we are having right now, is pretty interesting, guys. We are seeing a cup and handle maybe playing out here. We are seeing a cup and handle playing out for the price action of Bitcoin, and this is indeed a good thing here on the 4 hour. And I'm taking all different things here. So let me also check how you guys feel in the market. And I don't know. Oh, damn. I do want to do this real quickly. But let me know how you guys feel in the market. So bullish. I see already the first bullish coming in here. Bull. Everyone is feeling bullish. Of course you're feeling bullish, because the market is just looking very good. In my opinion, I still see a lot of bears on Twitter, etc. On Bybit, do you margin BTC USD Tether or BTC USD? I use BTC USD, and the reason why I'm trading against USD Tether, because I just want to accumulate more Bitcoin with my trading and not accumulate more dollars. And I do think it's better. If you're shorting, I should do it with USD Tether, but if you're longing, I should do it with USD with Bitcoin proportional trades. So yeah, guys, I see everyone feeling very bullish on the market right now. Bullish with concerns. Yeah, of course, we want to see where it is heading towards, but I mean, we're still setting higher lows, right? And still looking very good. So, Gula, I cannot pronounce your name. I'm so sorry. But thank you for your super chat. You're saying, we will make this the largest crypto channel in all interwebs. Hashtag coming for you, BitBoy. Hashtag love you. So that's very lovely to hear, man. Very lovely to hear. And everyone, I see it, everyone saying in the chat right now, everyone is feeling very bullish right now, guys. This is absolutely lovely to hear, to see you guys also feeling very bullish about the market, because it's just giving me a confirmation as well here. You can look at this cup and handle scenario, and if I flip on an horizontal level, guys, I will be setting it over here, because you can see we clearly touch the same level. And if you look to this cup and handle scenario, and big shout out for the one who let me know, of course, I was not zooming out so far, but if you look at this cup and handle scenario, guys, you can see there is a move in the play right now for Bitcoin. And if you look to the possible move that is in the play for Bitcoin right now, it can be quite horrible, because this is probably going to shock you pretty hard if we're going to see this breakout, of course. I do want to measure it from here, to be honest. But look at this. We can be seeing a 66k Bitcoin, 66.7k Bitcoin, I mean, for Bitcoin in just a matter of a coming days, coming weeks, if we're going to break to the upside of this, this cup and handle scenario, guys. This is looking very good. And still feeling bullish about the market, still feeling bullish about April, and also on the Twitter, guys. I was saying you this, why panic if the dominoes are still falling? That's exactly the point. And also, I mean, yeah, you know, these big companies, they're stepping into Bitcoin. Visa, the biggest payments company, one of the biggest payment companies, are stepping into Bitcoin. Is that not a thing that that you want to know here? Is it not a thing that you want to know? And also getting another support of the nation. And you're saying Bybit allows 3 trades options at the same time. That is true. That is true. Bitcoin also allows you, but you cannot do... oh, wait, there are so many super chats coming in, guys. I want to check them all. But yeah, Bybit is offering you multiple trades at the same time. But the only point here with Bybit is that you cannot trade in Bitcoin. You cannot trade in Bitcoin 3 times. And with and let me see. And with Femex it can. With Femex it can. So that's of course very lovely to see. So that is true. So it's not really multiple users, but multiple trades. That's of course lovely, Tony. So Matt also donated. You're saying, love your work, bro. Keep up the great energy you bring to the community. Best YouTuber out there. Also, I hit the like button. Hit the like buttons, guys. I want a rover mark. Could you please get it? And much love from you as well, man. Much love. And I mean, yeah, let's see if we're going to break to the upside of this cup and handle scenario. And this is also a thing that I want to discuss, guys, because yes, we were seeing pretty shocking things, of course. We were seeing pretty shocking things because we were looking at the chart earlier today. I was not at home. I do want to be live streaming at these moments, but unfortunately, I was not live. So that's the reason why we're doing the live stream right now. But you can see we were having a horrible candle here. We were just crashing 3K in just a matter of a few minutes. If I go to the 5-minute candles, you can see we drop off approximately let's see, almost 3K here in a matter of 15 minutes. So this was, of course, very exciting. But also, because we are moving so quickly, and you can see it over here, 2K move in just a matter of 5 minutes, 600 million in longs were getting liquidated, guys. 600 million in longs were getting liquidated. And this was, of course, pretty horrible, because I don't like to see longs getting liquidated. I love to see shorts getting liquidated, but not the longs, because in the end of the day, people are going long to accumulate more Bitcoin, and they are losing money to accumulate more Bitcoin. And in my opinion, that's a very bad thing, of course. But yeah, let's see if we can still push the market a little bit higher here, guys. I do want to be seeing also a little bit of these shorts getting liquidated, because let's see, 5% of these, it was approximately 10 million only in shorts getting liquidated, and I do want to see some more of that, of course. So this is another big warning. And usually, once you're having these big shakeouts, you're done with them, and you can be moving up once again, because they are liquidating the longs. They're getting rid of all the people that are earning very good profit, and then we can be moving on to new highs. So I do think that we are doing the same once again, just shaking out the weekends, because probably a lot of weekends were standing over here, and of course we were accumulating. We were not standing Bitcoin, so please don't do so as well. Liquidated the shorts, LMO. Yeah, we were liquidating some shorts earlier today. Here we approximately liquidate 20 million in shorts, but yeah, I mean, it's 600 million yeah, liquidation for longs is very bad, and that was also the reason what we were seeing over here. So people are also saying we are having an inverse head and shoulders right now on the 50-minute. So let me flip it on to the 50-minute. And indeed, we are right now having an inverse head and shoulders, guys. We are right now indeed having an inverse head and shoulders. So if you're watching the channel right now, and if you're looking for trade possibilities, yes, there are always trade possibilities. And I mean, this is not the most beautiful one, because I do want to be seeing this level getting touched over here as well. But yes, this is indeed the level that is holding us back. And if you look to this scenario as an inverse head and shoulders, and maybe if I flip it a little bit to the lower time frames, it is showing a little bit more significance. No, it is not. But yeah, on the 50-minute, it almost looks like a good inverse head and shoulders. Of course, not the most significance, but yeah, we can see a breakout to the upside. And if we are seeing this break to the upside, yes, we can be moving a little bit higher, guys. We can be possibly heading towards the 59.1K once again. So let's see what Bitcoin is going to do. And I see someone spamming in the chat as well. And Dean Harvey, thank you for tuning in here. Yes, I will be discussing crypto.com in a second here. Is there a cup and handle? Yes, we were discussing it as well here. There is a highly anticipated scenario of a cup and handle on the bigger picture right now. So that's absolutely looking very good. And Captain Jack Sparrow, thank you so much for becoming a CR supporter. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Truly valuable and truly lovely to see. So, yeah, thank you so much, bro. And Alazanet also donating, and you're saying, what is a good entry point today? And if you really want to enter a trade, I should be looking to this scenario at the moment, to be honest. This one, let me flip it up to the Femex chart, because I want to be looking at Femex. It really depends on where you're trading. Let me get the Bybit chart in front of you. If you're trading with Bybit as well, it of course really depends on your own preference. I'm trading a lot on Femex, but you can find the referral links in the description, because we are getting one of the most amounts of bonus here in the cryptocurrency space here, because yeah, we arranged some very nice deals for you. But guys, look at this. You can see horizontal resistance line, and you're just decreasing. Oh, we're right now smashing through it. So if you're willing to enter this first, wait for this 50-minute candle to consolidate and close above it. Then you want to see the retest coming in here, because yeah, you can already enter over here. I don't think it's really a bad thing, but yeah, there's a highly possibility that we're also going to create a wick once again over here. So if you're looking for the entry target, it will be around the 58.2K and $19. So if you want to see this exactly once again, just go back into the stream in a second. Just scroll back here. Maybe make a screenshot, because on the right side of the screen you can see the exact digits. But it will be, of course, very cool if you're trading here. I mean, I'm already in 3 positions right now on Bitcoin. I see 3, but I mean, I'm right now already in 4 positions on Bitcoin. So that's, of course, very lovely to see. And I will be writing them to new all-time highs. And if you want me to show them, I'm showing them already quite a lot on the stream, so we'll be showing them also in a second once again. So, sorry, my nose is a little bit annoying. Annoying, guys, very annoying. So also, we smashed it up to 400 likes already. Guys, you are loving it and smashing these likes up. I use only the daily and weekly to analyze Bitcoin. I don't think that's bad. I don't think it's bad. The higher the time frame, the more significance. But let's check the crypto.com in a second, because Bitcoin... Guys, we were discussing the whole stream Bitcoin already, but yeah, of course, Bitcoin will be the main topic that we will be discussing here. But we are also going to discuss crypto.com in a second here. But let's see what Bitcoin is going to do. Are we going to play out the cup and handle? Are we going to play out this inverse head and shoulders? Yes, it's a highly possible scenario that we are going to move up here. Let's see what we're going to do. And also Chris is saying, do you think we're forming a cup and handle on the 4 hour? Damn it, bro. We were discussing this just a second ago, by the way. we were discussing this just a second ago. I removed my chart already. But I can be discussing this once again because I see a lot of new people right now tuning into the stream. And if you're tuning in new to the stream, you definitely want to smash up the likes. But yes, for the people that are all wondering right now, are we forming an inverse hand and shoulders? Are we forming a cup and handle scenario? Yes, we are. And if you look to the horizontal levels, you can also see a lot of significance is coming into play right now. And also, we are just almost going to break out of it. And also, the price targets will be quite shocking here because this will be definitely pushing us towards the moon, guys. This is looking very good for Bitcoin. Of course, cup and handle scenarios, very bullish bias patterns. Consolidating under resistance usually tends to break out to the upside. So you can measure these cup and handle scenarios in two ways here. You can measure them from the top side, from the resistance line on the top side, or you can measure them from the bull flag that you're creating in the handle. So I will be measuring them from the handle, and if you look to the price target, it will be heading towards the 66.7k here. Of course, definitely a lovely target to see get touched here. I do think it's also very likely that Bitcoin will be moving up here, guys. I feel very bullish about the fundamentals of Bitcoin. I mean, the fundamental state where Bitcoin is sitting in right now is just ready for another leg up here. And still, Bitcoin is undervalued, guys. Sitting around 60k. And I mean, every buy below the 60k is a good buy here. And still, I see loads and loads of people are still standing on the sidelines. And please, 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 please get exposed to Bitcoin. Don't wait all too long. Don't stay in the sidelines. Don't expect Bitcoin to drop towards 47k because the people, I see a lot of people still talking about the 47k level, and they are getting wrecked here. These people are getting wrecked, and they still have to wait so long before getting filled because they're never getting filled, guys. They're never getting filled, and also was telling this already around the 50.2k here. Are you really going to wait? Are you really going to wait? Or are you going to dollar cost average in? Because if you're dollar cost averaging in, of course, you're doing already a good job here. So Vincent also saying, what are your thoughts on Ethereum? So of course, I feel very excited about Ethereum. I will be going into crypto.com in a second. And also, Sherry, also thank you to become a member. Very lovely to see here. Truly love that everyone is right now supporting the channel. I just feel so happy. I mean, it's so happy to see you guys also supporting the channel. Very lovely to see that you guys are loving it. And yeah, let's go. And money for the people. I mean, it doesn't matter what other people are saying. Of course, I'm just giving my own opinion on the market. And people that are not, he's only entering long positions once we're already sitting after the pump. He wants to enter long positions once you're sitting over here. I want to enter longs low. I want to enter on the drops, and I want to sell the highs, not buy the highs, not long over here. Come on, man. You want to long the dips. You don't want to long. You're in an uptrend on Bitcoin, just like Ethereum right now. Bitcoin uptrend is a little bit more clear on the 4 hour, but let's discuss Ethereum because let me see real quickly. Vincent, you were saying, please can you discuss Ethereum? Yes, of course I can discuss Ethereum because earlier today I see already 1,200 people right now watching the stream. Of course, more people are tuning in, and I want to discuss Ethereum for everyone real quickly. So you can see here, downward sloping resistance line getting formed on Ethereum, upward sloping support line. I do think only 2 touches is not enough to call this a valid support line, so I do want to be seeing maybe another touch of this level and a bounce to the upside. And then I can really call this a symmetrical triangle here, because the more touch points you're having, the more likelihood that you're going to see a significant breakout is also higher. So I do want to be seeing more touch points for Ethereum. But yeah, the downtrend is this downward sloping resistance line is quite clear because you already got 3 rejections, and this horizontal level over here, this is not a level that we're just going to break through, just going to break below, because this level seems to hold up pretty good over here. It hold us back also over here. So I do think still good accumulation levels for Ethereum will be around the $1,750 because I do think once reaching this level, these are very strong levels that you can be buying some Ethereum, because every time once we are touching these levels, you are moving more to the upside. So if you're really willing to enter a position very quickly, I think you can do it over here around the $1,750. But the main level that you do want to be seeing broken here is this downward sloping resistance line. Of course, it's currently sitting around the $1,850 approximately. And if you're going to smash through it on the 4 hourly, because you haven't closed the 4 hourly candle above it, if we're going to do so, if we're going to close this 4 hourly candle above it, we can be looking for long positions, of course. Because if we're going to smash above it, and then see this retest coming in to this previous resistance line flipping into support, and this resistance line already formed itself around the 20th of February. And that is also the reason why it will be probably providing us very strong support if you're going to break above it. So also why it will be a very good supportive line to accumulate your long position. And I don't know how I can pronounce your name. HRY. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but thank you so much for supporting the channel. You are saying thank you for going live today, and I love you, of course, that you are, of course, supporting the channel. So I do think once we're going to see this breakthrough in the upside, guys, we will be looking for accumulation levels and we will be accumulating this long position on Ethereum as well, because then Ethereum compared to Bitcoin also will be blasting off, and we want to catch this rate to the upside. We want to trade the lows, we want to accumulate the lows and sell the highs, and that's definitely the thing that you are doing if you're buying over here, guys. Please think twice. Don't sell don't sell low, but buy low, and don't buy high but sell high, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. We can do this all together. I'm not looking to sell over here. I'm looking to buy over here. But let's discuss Crypto.com in a second. Then I will be going, of course, with more requests because I see loads and loads of people are asking me all kinds of stuff to check it. And you're saying Cherry. So let me know if I say it correctly. Cherry. Thank you for supporting the channel. Cherry. And please don't spam in the chat, because if you're spamming in the chat, we will be blocking you, of course. And I see also Valkyrie is saying, check Crypto.com. Yes, I will be checking Crypto.com. So let me redraw this a little bit here. I can draw it more like this. So we were anticipating this display out here for the price action of Crypto.com. So if I go to the 1 hour first, you can see we were forming a very stealth downtrend. And since breaking the downtrend, of course, also the Visa news came out that they are going to cooperate with Crypto.com. I was just extremely bullish and was pushing the price a little bit further to the upside. And also, because we did so, we are also smashing through critical levels of resistance. So there are multiple things that we can be looking at right now for the price action of Crypto.com. And a thing that I do really like here is that we are right now flipping the previous resistance into support. And this will be, of course, pretty significant support. And I do think that we can be moving higher. Even though that you're not setting clear higher highs, you are flipping previous resistance into support. And that is the thing that I do love to see. And in the end of the day, if you zoom out here, higher low. And of course, if you count this a low, I don't really count this a low yet. But this is also a higher low. So the trend is still generally to the upside. So I do think it's a very good thing to see here right now for Crypto.com. I do still think that it is very good times to accumulate some more Crypto.com. And I also do think still it will be mooning. It will be going to the $1.50. And I'm not trying to be a moon boy. I'm trying to be realistic, like I always say. And this is really my realistic prediction. I do think that we can be heading towards the $1.50. It is just a matter of time. And guys, truly, this stream is we're going through the roof right now. We are only 8 more likes away from the 500 likes, guys. And we're just 44 minutes into the stream. And you know it, once we're reaching the 1,000 likes in this stream, I will be giving away another mug. And guys, I also get some extra stuff. So probably you're getting this one as well. This is the special Crypto Rover Bitcoin. The special Crypto Rover Bitcoin. Guys, this is insane, right? The special Crypto Rover Bitcoin. You can get this one as well. Probably if you're winning the mug, I will be sending it with you. And maybe just going to send more and more, because I just want to give a lot of things back to you guys as well. So just smash up the likes, guys. If you want to win these, we're just going to do that live in the stream. So yeah, looking forward to it already. I only buy Bitcoin. I think you're doing a good job if you're only already buying Bitcoin. It doesn't really matter if you're also buying alts. But I mean, there are some very good projects. I mean, in the end of the day, the most amount of alts won't survive. The most amount of alts, these alts won't survive. And the reason why is because in the bear market, they're just taking a big hit and everyone is shifting their profits to Bitcoin. And that's also a thing that I'm looking to do. But I'm also holding a few other projects like BNB. And right now I'm talking about the long run. And I will be also going into this in depth, what I will be doing in the bear market, because I will be not sitting on the sidelines on the bear market. And guys, also still in the bear market, I will be making a lot of videos for you guys to just show you more things, etc. about the market. But a thing here is what I will be doing in the bear market. And this will be, of course, especially announced in the coming video that we're going to make anytime soon here on the channel. But in that video, I will be probably talking about staking. Because staking is pretty undervalued, but in the bear market you can stake. You use the Tether for very good returns. So definitely a thing that I will be looking to do so. So also where I will be staking, we'll keep you guys up to date about that video. It will be released, I think, this coming week. This coming week the video will be released. So keep an eye out on the channel. And Bitcoin is moving also a little bit more to the upside. What I want a coin. People are also, of course, a little bit of delay in the chat. I see it right now also coming in here. Because my fearless meme. I'm not a meme. But yeah, guys, yeah, this is a very cool coin. And Captain Jack Sparrow, unfortunately, I haven't sent it with you. I'm sorry. Because I just recently got it. So for everyone who's going to win the mug right now, we'll be doing this one as well in the mug. I mean, it's a pretty cool thing, right? Just a Bitcoin. Just a quick Bitcoin, of course. No altcoins. I don't have an Ethereum. But this is, of course, very funny, right? So Bitcoin is moving a little bit more to the upside. Let me check it real quickly on the trades. Yeah, trades is doing good. I mean, this account is not only in, let's see, only a 4.8k profit, but still doing a good job. I mean, there are all these accounts combined. I'm approximately 30k profits also with private accounts on Bybit, etc. So I definitely love it. And this one, let me get it in front of you. This one I added it up to 25x and also added a little bit more to this position. So right now it's sitting around 7.5k profit. And I mean, I'm just loving it. I'm just love trading. It's just passion. And people are saying, I mean, trading is my hobby. I just really love it, and it's very lovely. Oh, you can see Bitcoin is moving up quite significantly. And are we going to form this V-shaped recovery? And people are saying, I want to enter a trade, and I do get that. Let me quickly go back to the other scenarios that we were discussing, guys. Okay, so you can see cup and handle. Let me. Why did we draw this like this? So cup and handle scenario. You can see minor downtrend started on. Sorry for a sec, but you can see minor downtrend getting started on Bitcoin on the 4-hour. Do want to see this break of this resistance line here. If we're going to see so, we can be breaking out of this cup and handle scenario. Of course, this horizontal resistance level will be the most important target that we do want to be breaking, guys. And this is once again showing the significance. Why should you not enter a long position on support, guys? Sorry, I don't want to. I don't want to be saying I told you so, but I mean. We told you so. Why should you? These are just very strong levels, and you don't want to trade against the trend. The trend is your friend till it ends, and if the trend ends, you do want to be seeing a 4-hourly close below this supportive line, guys. And I see everyone saying in the chat, Bitcoin is pumping. Yes, it is indeed pumping. And this is lovely to see, right? This is truly lovely to see. Let me get this in front of you as well, because if you look to this chart, you can see, of course, already seeing the significant breakout to the upside, but in first-hand shoulders, price target will be a little bit higher, of course, if you measure it from the wick, of course. Let me check it real quickly. This price target will be right to 59.1k here for Bitcoin. Let's see if we can reach it. Let's see if we can reach it. Can I buy Bitcoin chip Rover from you? So cool. I mean, we won't be selling these guys. I will be only giving them away. And Messi, thank you for supporting the channel once again. And yeah, if you're winning something, and of course, I'm not giving these away if you're donating. I will be just giving these away to random people in the stream because I want to give it. Yeah, I want to give something to everyone, and not only if you are donating or supporting the channel. Of course, it's very lovely that you're supporting the channel, but yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it at all times, guys. We need to break the 60k, and I completely agree with you, Joshua. Rover president. If I will become president, this will be, of course, very exciting. And also, guys, on Twitter, the mayor of Miami, he also has laser eyes right now. So should I also do laser eyes, because people are all doing laser eyes on Twitter because they have laser eyes because they will be removing them if they're going to reach the 100k. So I do think I have to do the same here because I just want to go with the trend, you know. But of course, very exciting. And give me that coin. Yeah, I mean, everyone wants a Rover coin. Cool channel. Yeah, thank you for supporting. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know. I will try to get it randomly. Yeah, Messi, you have to be very lucky. So, Omotoni, thank you for support of the nation. And you are saying, shoot, Crypto.com. Let me check it real quickly because it always goes away so quickly. I'm sorry. But you're saying Crypto.com should have been your token. I know. I should have had Crypto.com instead of Bitcoin, of course. Haha, what are your thoughts on HNT, Helium.com, as a project and as a token? I mean, I heard a lot about Helium.com, and recently... Let me check it real quickly because I have to look this up real quickly. Because, yes, I mean... The staking rewards were pretty high on that one, if I say it correctly, because people were all talking about staking their Helium. But let me check it real quickly in the charts. Let me quickly check it, because, of course, I can be talking about a lot of projects, but Helium have not did my clear research on this one. But, I mean, it's highly anticipated recently. It was sitting around P40, right, or P60 first. But right now, outside of the top 100... So it was pumping pretty quickly to the upside. Right, sitting around P103, sitting around 97. Wait, do I say it correctly? Oh no, $9.78. Very exciting. 750 million market cap. Let me check it real quickly if I look to the charts. And Bitcoin still increasing in valuation, guys. We will be going into Bitcoin in a second once again. But let me quickly check this one for Tiny. Because Tiny, thank you for supporting the channel, of course. And let me see what you're doing, what we are here doing with this project, because yes, it is moving up quite significantly, and you can see also stealth uptrend getting created here. Very lovely to see an uptrend getting created. Of course, oh, I don't really like this trend line, to be honest, but you can see if I flip this Fibonacci on here, let me check up the trend real quickly here, because maybe we can spot some levels that we're going to find some support on. And I see also Member for Life saying, is SafeMoon fake or real? I think SafeMoon is fake. Stay away from SafeMoon. Because I see a lot of people are saying it in the chat. They're all bots that are saying SafeMoon in the chat, and they're all saying SafeMoon to the moon. Please don't get fooled, guys. Do your research first. I do think that SafeMoon is fake. Don't do it. Don't do it. So yeah, what are we having here with Helium.com? So yeah, we're finding support at the 0.5, but this was previously, of course, the golden pocket entry, the 0.382. We were not getting so well supported from it. Of course, the first bounce was very likely to have, and if you were entering over here, of course, you were making a minor move to the upside of approximately, I say minor, but it was approximately 8%, but still, it's pretty unfortunate, because in the end of the day, you still went lower, and right now it's supporting the 0.5, but in the end of the day, you're still moving lower and lower and lower, and I don't want to see that. I do want to see the price going a little bit more to the upside, and also, a thing that I can be looking at right now, that you are not holding on to the previous support, and that you're breaking below it right now. So, you can see, we were previously topping out over here. We were topping out on this level, and we were once we were falling, we were finding support on it. And right now, you were breaking below it and finding support at the previous high over here, and you're right now getting rejected by the top side. So in my opinion, we're probably not going to crush to the all-time high anytime soon here. I do think that we're going to see some kind of consolidation. You're getting rejected once again, so a likelihood scenario is that you're going to see another move down getting created, and maybe a possible area that you can be heading towards, as you can see also over here, previous resistance, also support is this level over here. So this can be quite a fast fall to the downside, but I don't think that you're going to necessarily move higher, because it's not looking very strong here. You're getting rejected by your previous support, and it's more likely that you're going to move to the lower sides here. So Bitcoin is still doing pretty good here. And thank you for support of the nation. And I don't really can give you my fundamental thoughts about Helium.com. But yeah, the coin is probably going to go for a second, maybe seeing some kind of consolidation after such a fast rally up, of course. But if you're going to smash through these previous resistance levels once again on the Helium, yes, you can be looking for higher highs. So, as D also saying, you're talking about the CME gaps. Are we going to fill the CME? And I truly going to say right away, no, we're probably not going to do so. We're probably not going to do so. And Nicholas also saying, cup and handle on the Bitcoin daily too. So let me check that in a second, Nicholas, and thank you for supporting the channel, of course. But guys, you are wondering. Everyone is still wondering. Everyone is talking about the CME gap. And I don't know if you're already watching the channel for a long period of time. Probably a lot of viewers probably know this already. And they were watching me last Sunday. And we were discussing the CME gap before it even opened. I was telling you guys, please, don't wait till we're going to fill the CME gap. Don't wait, because then you're just like my friend. And because my friend, if you want to know who my friend is still waiting for the 9.7k Bitcoin, because he was thinking, oh, we're going to fill this gap. And here he got completely screwed. So he moved to the upside very quickly, and he said, no, I'm still going to wait for the 9.7k. And I said, okay, you can wait, or you can just dollar cost average in already. But then we went to the 9.6k, 9.8k. And he was still waiting on the sidelines, because he was not willing to enter, because he wanted to enter exactly $200 cheaper. 150 to be exact. So, no, I don't think that we're exactly going to fill the CME gaps, because they don't necessarily have to be filled. Of course, occasionally, they are usually getting filled. They're usually getting filled, but they don't always have to get filled, guys. And here you can see also gap around the 16k. A gap here between the 24 towards the 26k. And now we create another gap towards on the 54 towards the 55k. And no, I don't think that we have to fill this one. And the reason why that we are not going to fill it is because what we were seeing over here, I think the psychological thing here is that all the retailers are thinking, okay, we're going to fill the CME gaps. And what are the whales doing? They're pushing the price lower over here. And they're seeing, everyone is anticipating that the CME gap is getting filled. We will be pushing up the price, because then people will be still buying higher. And if we are at the 80k, we will be dumping on them. Or if we are at the 100k, we will be dumping on the retailer. So no, I don't think that will be filled here. And if we're going to create another leg up, will you be buying there? Or will you be buying at 100k? Where will you be going into Bitcoin? Please. use the safe strategy. And if you're with a safe strategy, I should just dollar cost average in, guys. You don't want to buy the you don't want to buy the highs, but you also you're not willing to buy the lows because you're still waiting at the 47k Bitcoin. So please, dollar cost averaging in. You're buying at the highs, you're buying at the lows, you're averaging in on a very nice price. Then you're doing a good job, right? So please, if you're not exposed to Bitcoin, do so right now. Where are you waiting for? Come on. I see you're still waiting. Come on, you can do it. So Naham is also saying, any trades for us on Femex, being waiting on the sidelines, and you're with your Apple emoji. And of course, we were discussing a trade possibility earlier on the stream, also in the Discord server. Unfortunately, we were also just looking at this 15 minutes again, and I think you just tuned in. We also can be looking at trading this cup and handle scenario, of course, and I will be checking the daily in a second, because someone was saying we are seeing a cup and handle forming right now on the daily. And of course, if we're doing so, definitely want to see this. But yeah, there is still a trading possibility. If we're going to see a red candle getting created right now and seeing this retest coming in towards this previous support line, previous resistance line, yes, this will still be a trading opportunity. So yeah, where this exact level is here is around the 58.2k here. So still, there's a possibility to open a long position, but I should not rush into it right now. I should wait for the 58.2k at least. So if you're willing to limit in here, you can already set your order, because yeah, we are forming an inverse hand and shoulders, and you're seeing a volatility getting created. But what you do want to be seeing is a retest coming in, and then you can be really looking to meet the target around the 56. Sorry, what was the target exactly? Then you can be meeting the target around the 59.2k here. So yeah, maybe you can already set up your long order, and let's see what we're going to do. But right now it looks like that Bitcoin is not looking to stop anytime soon here. So also getting another support of the nation, and this support of the nation, I will be also flipping this one to the daily, because I don't know who it exactly was, but someone was saying we're also forming the cup and hand on the daily. Yes, indeed, we're forming it on the daily. And Jonathan Thomas, you're saying, always loving your content, bro. Could you rate my holdings? Bitcoin, VeChain, Engine, DOT, Crypto.com, Uniswap, Link, Mana, Decentraland, and Matic Network. Worth holding, though. Thanks, as always. And Jonathan Thomas, right away I can tell you, this is looking like a very good portfolio. Of course, I don't know your financial situation, because I am holding way more coins. It really depends on your own strategy here. But yes, it is looking like a very good portfolio here. It's truly, I like all the projects that you're saying, though. Only I do think that Engine is a little bit overextended. Matic Network is also looking very good, but also maybe overextended. But in general, I should just hold them. And it is looking like a very good portfolio. And if I have to rate your portfolio out of 1 of 10, if I have to rate it, I will be definitely giving it a 9, because I do think that you also have to hold Ethereum for the long run. I do think that you also have to hold Ethereum, but yes, I have to give your portfolio not a bad note. It's looking good here. 9 of 10, man. It's truly a good portfolio that you're building up there. So when do we sell Bitcoin? I at least going to sell it around the 100k. Not looking to sell right now, guys. Not looking to sell. So Member for Life, XRP had some scam wicks on the 50-minute manipulation. And that's the reason also, Member for Life, thank you for supporting the channel, of course. But, I'm staying away from XRP. I'm staying away. Scam wicks, yeah, trying to to scare out the long positions, of course. But, I'm not looking to trade XRP. I'm just not liking it, guys. Please, of course, you have to make your own thoughts about it. But people are trying to buy it because they think it will be mooning once they are winning the settlement. But you have to know, the bull market is here, not for a year. And their lawsuit will be done in a year or so. So are you willing to get exposed to XRP right now? Or are you willing to get exposed to good projects? And also XRP is getting suspended everywhere. And please, why should you sit on that one? I don't know why you should sit on XRP. And guys, damn, the trades are doing so well. I love to see it. Also flipping this one right now back into the 8.1k. And I'm very glad that I added more to the position. And I was also saying this in the Discord server. It's not a personal chat line. I don't know what he was saying. Hey, bro, do you also mine? No, I don't mine yet. I don't mine yet. I don't think it's good to mine at the top of the bull market. I do think that you have to be mining in the bear market, because then usually you see the hash rate is decreasing, so you can get some more rewards for the work that you're putting out, of course. So not looking to mine yet, but maybe there's certainly a possibility that I'm looking to do so. And also, I do think the hash rate will be going way higher, because probably a lot of Ethereum miners will be stopping, and maybe they are looking to mine Bitcoin as well. So I don't know yet if I will be mining. Also, it really depends on the country that you're living in, and I don't think the Netherlands is a very good country to mine at the moment, at least. So Maybe I don't know yet. But I'm more looking to invest my money and let the money do my work. I mean, if you're having a farm, if you're having a mine farm, you also have to keep a lot of work on it and have to monitor it, etc. And I do want to just be a little bit more free. Rover, 29.5k subs. Yes, Captain Jack Sparrow. That's completely true. We have 29.5k subs right now. So, yes, we are moving up quite significantly, guys, just like the price of Bitcoin. So, the channel is moving up quite significantly. We are heading towards the 30k, guys. Can we smash it up? Because we're only 32 subscribers away. 32 subscribers away right now before reaching the 29.6k. So, we're going pretty quickly already. So, of course, lovely to see. And Bitcoin, just like Bitcoin, we're just moving like Bitcoin, guys. Just moving like Bitcoin. Let me also, this one is doing particularly good. So, damn, Bitcoin is really, it looks like a V-shaped recovery, guys. Can we do this V-shaped recovery? Can we recover to this level over here? And, of course, crush through the top side. That would be, of course, very amazing. Holding, of course, just chilling and holding, guys. If you're not looking to trade, I should just chill. Germans are laughing with their 30 cents per kilowatt. I mean, I'm not German, but I mean, the Netherlands is way more expensive than 30 cents per kilowatt. Where's the cup and handle breakout confirmation? Yes, we will be looking into that in a second. Give me a moment. Let me get rid of this one in front of your screen. And guys, I see a lot of people are right now smashing up the subscriber buttons, and that's of course very good and very lovely to see. So thank you so much for supporting the channel. And guys, if you look to this this handle that we were forming on Bitcoin, because yes, you have a cup and handle. You have the cup over here. The cup is already valid, but then you are also creating a handle. So what you're seeing, you're also breaking out on the top side of the handle. So that's definitely lovely to see here. Of course, you had this big fake out on the top side, and if you look at this on the 1 hour, I think on the 4 hour, it's just showing more significance. But we are also breaking to the upside right now of this handle. So yes, it is looking like Bitcoin is finally showing volatility, guys, and I'm getting very excited because can we smash through it? And you are saying, where is the confirmation level? 59.3k here, so 59.3k is the exact level that we do want to be breaking. So if we're closing the 4 hourly above it, you can already open your minor leverage or minor quantity positions. But where you do really want to enter big is, of course, once you're closing above it and then see the retest on the 59.3k here. So if you're seeing that retest, that is definitely your area that you do want to be entering big, in my opinion. You can already enter once you're going higher, but maybe you're doing the exact same here. Maybe you're going to rate another big wick on the top side, and this is just a fake out. So please wait for confirmations, wait for the 4 hourly close above it, and if we're retesting that, guys, if we're going to close above this horizontal level of resistance, we will be definitely looking to moon. Sorry again, chats move so fast. No problem. No problem. Where can I long your sub accounts? What do you mean? You cannot long sub accounts, but you can create a sub account. Just go to Famex, go to the sub account, and you can create it over there. Mining is good at the moment, winter, and it helps you heat your house. That's true. It helps heating your house because it's very hard to cool them up. I mean, yeah, the graphic cards are way too expensive at the moment. Yeah, the graphic cards are pretty expensive to get. I bought my graphics card, 2060, and I bought it, and it was only, let's say, $300 US, and right now I can sell it for $700 US. It's absolutely, even though I used it, it's becoming more worth. So that's pretty interesting, right? So Messi also, once again, we made 200k with your and my TA, dude. Still going higher. Let's go. Yeah, Messi. We're crushing it all together. We're crushing it all together, and lovely to see. So, Messi, I do think if you're right in the long position, you should definitely sit on it. And people were saying, I mean, I saw all the YouTubers saying it, don't open your long positions right now. But guys, the true thing that we are doing on the channel, and the true thing that you have to be doing, in my opinion, is opening long positions. Once you're in an uptrend, you're seeing a clear uptrend getting started on the 4 hour. And you're having a reversal, you're correcting, and you're testing the support. That are the positions that you do want to be entering your long position. And why should you not do it? I don't know. It is looking like a very good entry position. So this is also the thing that we did so. And yeah, we are seeing only more and more volatility getting created, guys. If you want to join trading, would be, of course, very lovely. Because yeah, you can join the trades on Famex or on Bybit. But I mean, we on the channel are usually trading on Famex, so that's of course very cool if you would join as well. Because usually we are very transparent with our trades. We are showing a lot of significance. We're just showing. So I'm saying significant. Sometimes I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry, but yeah, we're trying to be as transparent as possible because I just want to show you the insights as well. Of course, what I am doing. So I was also saying that I was adding more to my position. And that was also what I did. I entered also, I mean, I upped the leverage a little bit. So the initial is a little bit lower, but still added a little bit more quantity. So it's this one is an 81,000 trade, 81,000 US dollar trade. This one is a 30,000 US dollar trade. So yeah, I mean, all the trades are just blasting off. Just blasting off, just like always. And let's quickly check also on the competition. Guys, how are we doing in the competition? Of course, we're right now P4 once again, but looking to crush back to P1, guys. Looking to go to P1 anytime soon. So CR is live. I do want to see that the account also increasing a little bit more valuation. So let me see what we can do. After Bitcoin goes to 100,000 US dollars, I think we have a mini bear market, and then we will be moved to the 200/300,000 US dollar. What do you think will be happening, guys? I think yes, it's very hard to say, but I don't want to be wrecking. I don't want to be wrecking you guys. And that's also a thing that a lot of people are saying. We're going to the 300,000 US dollars. But I don't think so. I truly don't think so that we're going to reach the 300,000 US dollars in the bull market. I do want to be saying it. I do want to be saying it, to be honest. Because I love to see Bitcoin going that far, but I don't think it's very likely. And that's the reason why you have to have a very strong strategy. I do want to be taking some profits. So what I will be doing here, because if you just also if you look to the logarithmic growth curve, you can see over here. The top of the growth curve will be around the 100 towards the 120k for this cycle. And I do think the 100 towards 100 towards 120k is also the top for the Bitcoin cycle. So Maybe this time it will be different, but people are always saying to this to themselves each and every bull market, so they are getting wrecked. And usually the retailers are buying high and selling low, so that is probably a thing that can be happening once again. But guys, what I will be doing is at least selling 50% of our portfolio, because I'm also building a long-term portfolio. And of course, with my long-term portfolio, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to ride it and see. Even if we're going to the bear market, if we're going back to, let's see, if we're going back to 26k or so, I will be only buying more there. But I will be definitely holding my position, even though if I will be seeing it decreasing. So that is the reason why I will be selling 50% at the top, and then I can be seeing where it is heading towards. Of course, if we're going to the 400k, if we're going to 300k, I will be only loving it because I'm still holding Bitcoin, and I will be never selling all my Bitcoin, because in the end of the day, I know Bitcoin is the future. I know Bitcoin will be around here for the rest of our lives. So maybe not for the rest of our lives, but at least for the coming 30 to 40 years, in my opinion. So yes, I am holding for the long run, but I will be already taking good profits once reaching the 100k. And taking profits is never a bad thing. 300k is too greedy, and that's the reason 100k will be a big sell, or a big sell wall. And I will be also taking very good profits already once reaching the 100k. You really think Bitcoin will sit at 26k? I do think once we're seeing a bear market, we're not going below the previous all-time high. So I think the bottom for the next bear market can be around the 30k, can be around the 40k, but not much lower. Not much lower than I don't think that we're ever going to see Bitcoin below the 20k. I know for sure that we're never going to see Bitcoin below the 20k. And let me know, guys, do you think that we can still see a Bitcoin sitting below the 20k in the next bear market? Let me know real quickly. Let me know real quickly what you think, and let me also get this water in, because you do want to stay hydrated, guys. Hey, what's up, Rover? I made 200% because of your advice. I mean, I'm not giving any financial advice. You have to know it. Question, how do I add more to my contracts on my Bybit account? It's very easy. Exactly the same as Femex, exactly the same as other exchanges. I will be also showing my trades on Bybit anytime soon, because then I can show it to you. But I won't be doing it right now, because then I have to log in and etc. And of course, that's not a thing that I like. But yeah, if you just do it, I can just show you how you can do it on Femex. And how you do it on Femex is very easy. You just open a market or limit position, and just exactly the same as Bybit. So what you can do here, your limit price. Let's say you want to enter more at 59 or 58.7k. Then you just type it in and type the amount of quantity that you want to add, and you set it on that position. Then you're adding more, or you can just mark it in. It's very easy. So people are saying no chance, no way, 45k low. Yeah, people are already saying 1k. No, that's not true. So yeah, people are agreeing with me. So that's of course very likely, because I don't think that we're ever going to see 20k Bitcoin. I don't think that we're ever going to go below that level. It was yeah, it's very exciting. Now look at my super chat, please. Did you send me a super chat? Did I miss something? Bro, I don't see it. Bro, I don't see it. Let me check it. I don't see your super chat. Oh, Abdullah, I see it over here. Hey, Dan, can you please look at GRT and Ancient? So, bro, I'm so sorry. Bro, big shout out to you. Let me get it. Abdullah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I will right away flip it over to GRT. So I'm so sorry that I missed your super chat. I always want to look at the super chat scores. I mean, even I also want to look at your normal questions, but I mean, of course, showing the love to the channel here, and also Trustfire. Welcome to the Crypto Rover team, and thank you for supporting the channel as well. We were just talking about it, but very cool. If you're joining the team as well, of course, only if you want to support the channel. But if you're doing so, you can get some very nice emojis in the chat, and that's definitely a cool thing, right? So, what are you having with GRT? Still, this downtrend getting created here. We are still holding on to the Fibonacci line, to be honest. But yeah, we are still creating a pretty stealth downtrend on the price action of GRT. So, Abdullah, I will be removing everything real quickly. So, Abdullah, we see this downtrend getting created. You can see also downward sloping support line getting created. Very lovely to see, but of course, it's only pushing your price a little bit more lower. You can call it like a falling wedge, but I don't really like this supportive line, to be honest. What I do like to do is setting up horizontal levels, because if you look to horizontal levels, you can see over here, it was providing a lot of support. Of course, you had this, these big fake outs on the lower sides here. Oh, damn. What I'm doing. So you had these big fake outs on the lower sides here, but in general, this line was holding up pretty good for GRT. So what we are doing right now is also having a retest of this level. I do think once you're having another touch, like you saw over here, you have multiple touches. In the end of the day, you were breaking lower, because the more times you're testing a third level of support, the more likely it will be that you're going to break down. But yeah, in my opinion, this line will be holding up at least for a longer period of time. And here you saw a very nice V-shaped recovery. So there is strength in the market. So let's see what GRT can do. And definitely because Bitcoin, and the reason is because Bitcoin is right now moving up. And I do believe that Bitcoin is starting a new uptrend. I think you can be accumulating your GRT right now. You can be looking to do it, because just imagine if we're going back to the previous all-time high, this already a move of approximately, let me see, 66%. So I do think that we can be reaching that anytime soon here. And GRT is definitely a good asset, what is also just cooling off for a long period of time. Of course, you had to stealth run up for GRT. And for all the GRT holders, I'm also a GRT holder. I will be just holding this steadily, because I do think that this we can start a new parabolic run-up, but it will be just taking a while here. Just like you were doing over here, consolidating around these levels, and after consolidation you can start a new uptrend. So I think consolidation can be done anytime soon here, and we can be seeing a new parabolic leg up getting created, guys. So get ready for GRT. It can be quite shocking how fast it can go up to the upside. So I mean, buying around the $1.70 is not a bad buy at all, in my opinion. So if you're holding GRT, you're doing a good job. Loving seeing your channel grow more and more every single day. Well deserved. Thank you so much, Eskelet. Thank you so much. And talking about growth in the channel, guys. Talking about growth in the channel. Let me know who's not subscribed to the channel yet here, because, guys, we are exactly 14 subscribers away from the 29.6K here. And you have to know, once reaching the 30K live in the stream, we're going to give away 3 Litecoin. Not 1, not 2, but 3 Litecoin, guys. We're going to give away 3 Litecoin. So once doing this giveaway, I will be doing this live in the stream. So that's the reason why you also want to smash up this bell notification. So please, if you want to support the channel, it would be, of course, very cool if you're subscribing right now. Because, yeah, we are doing this every single day. Of course, I'm trying to do a live stream every single day. Yesterday, unfortunately, I couldn't. And there was also the reason why I was just making a video. But in the end of the day, I do want to be doing daily live streams. You guys love it. And you have to know it purely out of my heart. I'm trying to do it every single day. But sometimes I cannot do it. So, yeah, that was also the reason why we couldn't do it yesterday. Anyone? Anyone? No. I'm not going to say it. I don't want to get demonetized. So yeah, cap and handle, of course, also on the daily for Bitcoin Valid. So I see a lot of new subscribers coming in, guys. We're almost reaching the target. Yeah, come on, subscribers. Let's go. 4 minutes still. The 1 hour really close. Guys, that's very exciting. 4 more minutes, Keegan. That's completely right. That's completely right. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, guys. Oh, we're just 2 subscribers away. Maybe it's already updated on my screen. No. Yeah, we're just 2 subscribers away before reaching the 29.6K. So if you just subscribe to the channel, let me know in the chat. It would be, of course, very amazing if we can reach it. And by the way, guys, also this. This is once again a doji candle here on the daily. So you can see doji candles are basically candles that are wicks, having wicks on both sides. So they're basically very indecisive, not really calling a direction. But yeah, you can see the trend is to the upside. So I will be calling this a consolidation pattern. What do you think about the Ethereum with this current NFT hype? I think it's good. Trustfire, I think it's good. What do you think about Ethereum? I think Ethereum will be moving up these coming weeks, coming months, because also the Visa news was coming out. I mean, these NFTs. I do think, and Ethereum is not over yet here. Ethereum is, of course, also building, and a lot of developers are working on it, and it is just lagging behind. Ethereum is lagging behind, but it will be catching up. And I mean, yeah, there are other projects like Cardano that are doing a way better job with our blockchain, etc. But I don't think that Ethereum will be failing. I don't think that it will be failing. And also, they're going to burn Ethereum. I do think it's a good thing. So, yeah, you should definitely get exposed for the long run, especially. So, let me see. Awesome. $200 and you call it falling. I mean, I'm not calling it falling. I see some people in the chat saying it. So, I just subscribed. And yes, guys, I see it that you just subscribed because we just reached the 29.6k subscribers. So thank you so much for supporting the channel, for everyone who just came in here. And yeah, I don't know what to say. You guys are all so supportive. And it's truly lovely to see you guys once again tuning into the channel, of course. And yeah, Captain Jack, you're saying it. Hello from India. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in from India. Very cool that people from India are still watching cryptocurrency videos, even though that their government is probably going to ban it. So that's pretty cool, of course. What's the price for Bitcoin? I need to sleep. I need to sleep. Okay, if you really have to sleep, of course. I mean, I should not really enter trades if you're sleeping, to be honest. At least that's not really my thing that I like to do. But yeah, you can. This is really a short-term trade. And if you're trading this, you also have to take profits very quickly. So yeah, if you're willing to enter this one, I do want to see a correction coming in here. I do want to see this candle going to the lower sides here. I do want to see this candle going towards this level. And once heading towards this level, this is around the 58.2k here. And if you can enter over there, you can definitely take some profits around the 59.1k here. And of course, your stop loss have to be there's a move to the upside of approximately 1.5%, so that's not quite a lot. So your stop loss also have to be very tight. You can only risk, let's say, 0.2 or 0.3%. So you have to be careful. That's the reason why I don't really like it, because the risk to reward is not all too beautiful, to be honest. Hello from Indonesia. I mean, everyone is telling where they're from. That's the handle. You just draw the cup. It's ahead. Yeah, true. We're looking at a cup and handle, guys. We're looking at a cup and handle, and yeah, look at this. Of course, this is on the 15-minute, not very significant. But we're having a fake out on the 4-hourly time frame right now. You see, we're re-entering the channel. That's the reason. Don't want to rush into trades. That's not a strategy. Top tip, don't enter a trade when asleep. Yeah, that's a true top tip, because, guys, I know trading can be stressful. Trading can be stressful, and you don't want to give yourself some rest as well, right? Just go over it, because if you're not entering a trade tonight, you can just look tomorrow to the charts and look for the opportunity that you're getting tomorrow. Because, guys, there are so many opportunities in the cryptocurrency space, and people always think, I have to rush into a trade. But please, there are so many opportunities to enter trades, and don't do it. Just don't rush into anything. Just wait for the clear opportunity. And if you're missing out over here, you will be just entering on the next dip, right? You will be entering over here. Just give yourself a rest. Don't always have to be in a trade. Of course, I'm quite comfortable in my trades right now, because I'm sitting at pretty low entry targets, and that's the reason why I can just lean backwards, of course, because in the end of the day, I love to have swing trades positions active if we are moving into the upside, and I want to catch the lows to ride these ones to new all-time highs, because in the end of the day, I like swing trading. India can't bomb Bitcoin, only the exchanges. That's true. 20-day moving average resistance on the 1 hour. So let me check it real quickly. Who's saying that? That's Yannick. Yeah, that's true. The 20-day moving average is acting as resistance on the 1 hour, but you can see it's usually not holding us back that significantly. We opened a new 1 hourly candle, guys, by the way. Very cool. Oh, guys, we even pumped on this one. Oh, wait, that's a different chart. Which chart is this? This is... I was looking at the chart that was getting pumped. Okay, I was looking at wrong chart probably. But yeah, you can see, yeah, the 20-day moving average is acting as resistance on the 1 hour. But I mean, I don't really look at the 1 hour with this moving average. You can be looking at the EMAs. Sorry, you can be looking at the EMA ribbon. And I mean, you guys love the EMA ribbon, I know. So on the 1 hourly, it was acting as support, and still is providing a support. But I definitely, if you look to the EMA ribbon, I should only look at the 4 hour or the daily, because I think on the higher time frames, it's just showing you more significance. And this was also giving you a clear long scenario signal. But yeah, what you're having with the EMA ribbon is basically previously was holding us back. You can see over here, stopping us out. But yeah, once we were breaking above it, it was providing us support. So right now, once again, providing us support. So, I mean, the indicators are also looking good. Indicators are flipping bullish once again. And guys, it's always, once you're going below this level, always a good entry target in the bull market. Just like you did over here, always good times to enter. Of course, if you're going in the sideways market, it is just showing you less significance in my opinion. But in the bull market, EMA ribbon holds up pretty good. So looking forward to see this this moving a little bit higher. Crypto Rover, you see on the daily chart, cup and handle, you drew wrong. What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about, bro? You're talking about this cup and handle over here. But I don't really like this. I don't really like this. And that you're seeing the handle over here. I'm more looking to this cup and handle, especially on the 4-hour, bro. I'm looking at this for the 4-hour. So for the 4-hour, we are seeing cup and handle playing out right here. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do with Bitcoin. So it's a very nice cup that we are creating, a very nice handle that we're creating as well. So of course, very exciting times, and also trading on the supportive line over here. I do think that we're going to move up, guys. Are you also a crypto hyper? No, I'm not. I'm trying to give my honest thoughts about the market. And also, let's go into the Bitcoin dominance, guys. I'm not a crypto hyper. I'm trying to make money with the community, guys. And you guys also love it. And I mean, is it alt season? Guys, I truly want to say it once again. It's not alt season yet. We are right now having, once again, a minor preseason. This is a minor preseason. And we're already seeing these good gains. Guys, you don't know what you're going to expect. If you already think that this is alt season, you are going to be shocked. And you have to be prepared. You have to be prepared for the extreme alt season, because we're going to see gains of approximately 100 or maybe 300% for a coin a day. And this is the reason you do want to be strong. You do want to be very strong with your emotions, because people can be getting wrecked. People can be buying the tops and they can be dropping off, let's say 90%, and you can be losing a lot of money. So what you can be doing here is already getting into these positions, already buying into some good altcoins. And that is also the thing that I'm doing right now, because if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, if I take the Bitcoin dominance in front of me, you can see here, if we're going to move to the downside, if we're going to head towards this white level of support, this will be the level that I do want to be breaking here. Because guys, I can call alt season or what, but I don't think that we're going to see alt season if we're still getting supported by this white line of support. Because in the end of the day, 58% Bitcoin dominance is still way too high for alt season. I do want to be seeing Bitcoin dominance falling below the below the 58, below the towards the 50%, because if we're just going to look into the altcoin dominance in a second, because there I can see also quite significant things here. But I mean, we're holding on to the supported line over here. In general, we are in a downtrend. We're also in a symmetrical triangle here. If we can see this breakdown getting play out here, this can definitely be very good for Bitcoin. But what I do want to be seeing here right now, guys, I do want to say this correctly. I want to see this line. Of course, maybe probably a supportive bounce here, but if we are going to see this previous support flipping into resistance, this will be your level that you really want to enter big into the altcoins, just like we were doing over here with this descending triangle on the 4-hourly playing out for the Bitcoin dominance, guys. This was of course an incredible scenario that we were playing here on the channel, incredibly profitable, because you can see the Bitcoin dominance was since then falling approximately 11%, and 11% is quite a lot in the Bitcoin dominance. And also, if you look to the altcoin dominance, guys, this is literally the likeliest thing that we are going to see. It's most likely that we're going to see this move up getting created towards the let's see, the 47%. So that's 53 for Bitcoin. So I do think that we can be moving up quite significantly. You can see previous support flipping into resistance. Previous resistance flipping into support. Here it was acting as support multiple times already. And if we're going to move to the upside, this can be in a move of approximately 40% for the altcoins. And of course, these are the daily candles, guys. And if I look to the 3-day, by the way, if you look to the 3-day, you can see it will be just taking a little bit longer. It will be, you just have to be careful. You just want to be patient, because in the end of the day, you want to be patient once you're trading Bitcoin, once you're trading altcoins. You just don't want to go out too early, but you also don't want to go out too late. So what I do think right now is that we're not at the top for the altcoin cycle. We're just starting off, and I do think the massive gains are still to be made, guys. I mean, there are a lot of people that are going to freak out, a lot of people that can't control their emotions properly, because they're going to be quite significant gains. They're going to be, you're going to see your portfolio maybe increasing with 300% today, but can you control it? That is the real question. Can you control it, and do you know when to take profits? Because going out of the market will be maybe one of the hardest things to do. I say maybe, but I already know it. going out of the market will be one of the hardest things to do, because you're seeing so many profits to be you're seeing so many profits. You're seeing that you're making so many profits, and you don't know when to go out, because you don't know when to call the top. But the thing that you will be doing, at least, sorry, I'm not saying that you're going to do anything here, but the thing that I will be doing here is dollar cost averaging out. And I set some targets in dollars as well. I mean, in euros for me. Of course, I live in the Netherlands. I set some targets that I do want to be cashing out here, and I will be dollar cost averaging out here. I will be not exiting all by once. I will be just taking out 20%, taking out another 20% each and every time. Go to the 1 minute and talk like an auctioneer, please. I can go to the 1 minute, but no, I won't. And I mean, this will be causing a lot of fun. I don't want to do so, but thank you for support of the nation. But no, I will be not doing that. Bro, no, I won't be doing that. Dump incoming, 1 angry hand and shoulders, man. No. No, I don't really like this hand and shoulders. I just in general don't like hand and shoulders. I mean, do you want to short? Do you want to short in an uptrend? I mean, I'm not looking to short in an uptrend. Let me know what you're doing, but I'm not looking to short. And John Croaks is also saying it. We're going to see Bitcoin peaking once again anytime soon, guys. I will, of course. It can still flip very bearish, but the only way how it can be flipping bearish is, of course, in my opinion, if we're going to see a 4-hourly close below this line, because then we're clearly reversing the trend, guys. So Juan is also donating, and you're saying, please, your technical analysis on when take profit on SHR. And thank you for support of the nation, of course. But yeah, when to take profits on this coin is I don't really know the project, and it also will be really depending on which project you are looking at, because the project will be very important in this coming bull run. I do think also the sector where you are exposed to. I do think if you're exposed to NFTs, if you're exposed to DeFi, if you're exposed to Polkadot ecosystem coins, I do think you will be doing way better than having, let's say, privacy coins or something else. And also coins without any fundamentals will probably do a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Lord Rover, we all love you. Okay, Captain Jack Sparrow, you're really freaking me out here. So Trustfire, give us an alt that we all have to jump on. I can give you one. But I want to be surprising you for the video that I'm going to upload. I do want to say it, but I will be uploading it anytime soon on the channel, Trustfire. I will be uploading it anytime soon here, because I have a very good project where I do think that you do want to get exposed to, and I think it will be huge. And I have multiple reasons to say that. And once I uploaded that video about my strategy, what I will be doing, etc., I will be also discussing that coin, because I will be using that coin to make gains in the bear markets. And that is very interesting, right? But I want to just leave it behind for a second, because I want to tell you real badly, but I'm going to upload that video anytime soon here. So if you're waiting, please keep an eye on the channel if you want to look for the best GM potential. Because also, I mean, I was not really trying to make a gem video for that video, but in the end of the day, it's still a very good gem, because the project is very good and it is still having such a low market cap, in my opinion, for the projects where you can compare it to. So looking forward to it. But you're saying, give me a take profit on this share ring coin. So yeah, of course I can give you a take profit, but I mean, yeah, you're sitting at all-time highs. And one thing what is very hard, to be honest, one thing what is very hard is spot levels of resistance. Damn, I have to get the top over here. And that the spot levels of resistance once a coin is going exponentially to the upside, of course. This coin is also creating huge wicks on the lower side, so just like you can see over here, just big fake outs. And let me do this one. Yeah, I know I can set this over here. So I don't really like that, to be honest, because you're just showing a lot of insignificance. Here you were, of course, getting stopped out. So I do like that this Fibonacci is showing you significance over here. Also, once you're breaking above this line here, you were finding support on this. But yeah, when to take profits, it will be saying it will be very hard, because I don't know the exact project, but let me quickly check it to you. And if you're talking about the short term, I do think it's already a good moment to take profits, because you can see a lot of people are in profit and you're sitting at all-time highs. And at all-time highs, it's never bad to take profits. So this coin sitting around the 230 million market cap. I do think for the coming bull run, probably it can be doing something like a cool period anytime soon. and then see another move getting created. But what you also are having right now, if I look to the chart a little bit more closer, you can see on the 4 hour, you are creating a higher high over here, but still a lower high in the RSI. So you're also forming a bearish divergence. Why I do want to believe and do want to be say, you want to be careful because you can see a correction coming in for this coin, and we can be going a little bit lower. So that is my reason to say that you do want to be a little bit careful with this one, and at the moment at least. But for the coming bull run, yes, it can be going way higher, because I still think a lot of good projects will be increasing, maybe a 10x, maybe a 15x in the altcoin cycle, because there will be coming an altcoin cycle, and these altcoins will be gaining exponentially, and we're not at that phase yet. We're not at that phase yet. Money flow and RSI, please. Yes, I can be looking at money flow. But yeah, having bearish divergence right now, you can be seeing a move down getting created. So let's look at the money flow for Bitcoin. Money flow index. Let me quickly remove the back, make the background a little bit different. Which color do I want to use? I want to use this one. Oh, you want to make the lines a little bit more thicker. Yeah, but yeah, you can see money flow cooling off a little bit, but you can always see once the money flow is sitting at highs, over here you're, if I flip it to higher time frames, by the way, flip it to higher time frames, you can see once you were willing to enter a position. And if you look at the money flow momentum, we are right now forming momentum to the upside, because you're setting higher lows and the money flow to the upside. So the momentum of the money flow is gaining more to the upside. Also on the RSI, you're getting a little bit more strength to the upside, even though on the RSI you still have this downwards momentum push. So you're still losing momentum where the price is still going higher. So that's basically indicating you are forming a bearish divergence. But yeah, we can also be making ourselves ready for a huge run up, of course. But yeah, I do want to be seeing more strength gaining for Bitcoin on the RSI. If we're heading towards the new all-time highs, I do want to be at least taking out this previous high over here in the RSI. So let's see if we can do so. I certainly love to see that, of course, playing out, because otherwise we're creating once again a bearish divergence, and I don't want to be seeing that. I do really love to see the daily RSI going overextended for maybe a long period of time once again. I do want to be seeing that, because then we can be starting a stealth run up, of course. But for the money flow, what we are having here, we're seeing also a top getting created over here from the, let's see, the 8th of January. Since then we were pushing a little bit lower. But in general, you can see always once we're sitting at these levels over here, we are getting pushed to the upside. So I do think the money flow is probably going to bounce back to the upside. So let's see what we are going to do. Money flow, of course, very important. A lot of money was going out of the market over here. But yeah, you cannot stay at low levels for a long period of time. You cannot stay overextended for a long period of time. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do, of course. Let me check Lee. Yeah, Bitcoin is still doing good here. Not all too interesting things, to be honest. Bitcoin. Let's get that coin. Smash the likes, guys. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, we're right now only 250 likes away from my giveaway. So let's see if we can do it, of course. Sparrow, you already won one. That's true. Yeah, I mean, if you're going to win another time, you're extremely lucky. But I mean, I do want to give it to everyone. What's your take on DNT? I do think it's a good project. I do think it's a good project. And man, I don't think that we're going to move to the 30K. I don't think so. Even that we're probably going to create a bearish divergence on the daily for Bitcoin. I truly don't think so. We're also creating a lot of bullish divergence. Let me check, by the way, in the lower time frame for the divergence. Because if you... Okay, I cannot call this as a lower low. So there was no divergence, unfortunately. Maybe on a 2 hour. 2 hour also not. So not a bearish, not bullish divergence. But yeah, always pretty important to look at the divergence. But yeah, here on the 50 minute, I can look at the 50 minute because this one already played out. But this is just once again showing you significance of the divergence and also giving you a possibility to open a trade. So what you can see over here, higher low in the RSI. Oh, my head is in front of it. So you can see higher low in the RSI over here. High lower low in the price chart. So that's basically giving you an indication. Yes, we are having a bullish divergence right now, so it's most likely that we're going to move to the upside. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do for Bitcoin as well. 30K subs, man. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, we're so close to 30K subs, guys. I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. I truly, honestly, I don't know how far. We were literally going in a roller coaster, of course. Let me know what you think about the new thumbnails. I'm still working on them. Still making them better, of course. But yeah, guys, yeah, it's gone all so fast here. Just this first video was 2 months ago. Right now, already sitting around 29.6k, guys. We're just crushing it so quickly. We're going to make huge journeys all together. We're going to do this all together. We're going to go through the bear market all together. And it will be just in general very exciting times that we are heading towards, guys. I'm looking forward to it at all times. What's your take on Tron? I should stay away from Tron. I should definitely stay away from Tron. At Rover, he meant 40k subs. I know. Do you know Swissberg? Yes, I know the exchange. Of course, I know Swissberg. I was looking at Swissberg, and the chart was looking very good 2 months ago, and since then it was also pumping pretty quickly. Also, the fundamental side from Swissberg was also looking very good. What caused a massive plummet for Biddy? Yeah, what caused it? That's really, it's unknown. I also searched it up on news sites, etc. It was unknown. And if we look to the on-chain data, we can be looking here to Glassnode. We can be checking it real quickly. I have to log in real quickly. Okay, that's the wrong address. I don't know why. So let me go to CryptoQuad. Maybe I can log in over there because I don't want to search out what my password is, because maybe I'm going to show my password live to stream, and of course that's not a thing I like to do. But yeah, let's look at the exchange flows. Yeah, we had to bounce to the available exchange. Let me quickly check. We can't see the F2 mining pool anymore, so that's pretty unfortunate. They blocked that out because they know that retailers were looking at it. So maybe we saw an inflow on, let me see, not a pretty significant inflow to be honest, on the exchanges. So there's nothing truly special to be honest. And if I look to the miner flows, we can't see the miner flows anymore. So the miner outflows are still pretty low, but they're not providing us all the information anymore. So the reason why the miner flows are pretty low is because they're not providing us all the information. So I mean, yes, we were seeing a spike yesterday, a little bit of a spike to the upside of the miner flows. We approximately got rid of 3.2k Bitcoin, but I don't think we are giving all the information right here, because this is not all the information. I know for sure. F2 pool is right now holding the information back, so that's of course pretty unfortunate, because we do want to be knowing what the miners are doing as well. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do. But yeah, it's not very significant decreasement in drop-offs. I can flip this to the 1 hour. Maybe it is showing some more significance by then. Because maybe on the 1 hour we're seeing a pretty significant spike in these minor drops. Because yes, we can see a pretty significant spike, to be honest. But not on that exact moment. Yeah, you can see only a spike of approximately, let me see, 500 Bitcoin. We dropped off 500 Bitcoins at this moment. I don't think, of course, it was helping to push the price a little bit lower. But I do really think these are whale games. They're trying to scare the people off, trying to liquidate these longs. I think you don't want to be careful. Buying opportunity? Yes, definitely this is a buying opportunity. This is certainly a buying opportunity. If you're not... Oh, look at Ethereum is still increasing compared to Bitcoin, guys. You can see Ethereum is performing pretty good here recently for the last couple of days. It's heading towards the resistance target once again. Let's see if we can break through it. Would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so, because then we can be looking for new all-time highs for the price action of Ethereum. And we love Ethereum. So I should definitely love it. I should definitely love to see it. I know, I was saying something. I was saying some really weird stuff. So guys, this is also for the total altcoins market capitalization. We were looking at this, and this was making me feel very interesting. Because guys, look at this chart. Look at this chart, and I see also Chris Zuberico. You're saying 58.2k entry. What's the safe stop loss for entry for swing trade? So let me look into it in a second, Chris. First, I want to discuss the total market capitalization of these altcoins. And if you look at this, guys, we can be seeing altcoins blasting off anytime soon here. You can see we are increasing in valuation. Total valuation is increasing to the upside of these altcoins, and you can see what you're having right now is that you're blasting through this gray box of resistance. So in my opinion, this is extremely looking good. We close the highest daily total market capitalization for the altcoins. Very good, but we still have to clear, excuse me, for, this level of the 1.618 in the Fibonacci. So we are clearing this gray box of resistance. What was holding us back for a long period of time, for exactly since the 19th of February, it was holding us back. And right now it's looking that we are finally breaking it. So let's see if we can do so. Let's see if we can create an all-time high. Let's see if we can push these altcoins a little bit higher. Of course, it will be mainly going to Ethereum, in my opinion, because Ethereum will be having the most market capitalization. But yeah, it is looking good here. I do think the altcoins can be moving higher because we're breaking critical resistance levels. And that's also the reason I'm usually exposed to altcoins, because I want to make significant gains, guys. So, Chris, let me check Bitcoin for you. You're saying you have a 58.2K entry for Bitcoin. So that's of course a very very good one. Or are you talking about looking for an entry? I don't know. Let me know real quickly. But if you're looking for an entry, 58.2K. I was discussing the 58.2K over here exactly. And if I draw this, extend a little bit more. Yes, I do think 58.2K is a good entry target. And you're talking about a swing trade position. Yes, I love to provide you a swing trade opportunity here. But what I truly think here is, of course, this is a short-term pattern. We can be maybe seeing consolidation and maybe seeing a move down getting created. So I don't know if it's the exact perfect entry. But what I do think here is that we're in January going to move higher. We're going to move higher with the market, but not in the exact immediate short term. But what you can be doing here, because you're talking about a swing trade position, yes, you can enter over here. And the thing what you do want to be doing here, if you're entering a swing position, is using low leverage. Because if you're using, let's say, a 4x or maybe an 8x, your liquidation price and, of course, your potential loss can be pretty low if you're seeing a move down or a shake out of this parallel channel that we are currently looking at. So, yes, I do think the 58.2K is a good entry target for a swing trade position. But I still should use a very low leverage, very low quantity as well, because still it's pretty risky. But because we still first want to see these levels getting broken on the top side. Also, if we already go to crush through this cup and handle scenario, so if we really go to crush through the 59.3K and see the 4 hourly closes above that line, yes, you can looking to activate even bigger and bigger swing trade positions. But for now on, you have to take it pretty calm here. So Frank Castle, thank you once again for supporting the channel. You're saying, thanks for your awesome stream. Can you show us how you can calculate coins value by market cap and circulating supply? No. no, I can't tell you. I mean, you can just go to coin market cap. And yeah, what you can be doing here is you can make the calculation yourself. You can see the circulating supply is right now 2.2 billion. And you have a market capitalization of 212 million. So what you're doing is basically dividing the total circulating supply by the market capitalization. Then you have this exact number. So of course you can also look what if the maximum supply is getting maximum supply is coming out, and then you use the same market capitalization. You probably see that the most amount of coins are, let's say, worth five times less, because there's just more in circulation, and that's the reason why the price is also pushing a little bit more down. So it's pretty exciting. Don't know exactly how you can calculate it, but I think I say it correctly. Stop loss point. Stop loss point, of course. Stop loss. It really depends on the leverage that you're using, Chris. It really depends on which leverage you are using. Henny, you're saying Bitcoin dominance, please. I just checked the Bitcoin dominance. Please go back in the video if you really want to check it. But I will be going into it later. Hello, Crypto Rover. Thank you. The stop loss really depends on your leverage that you're willing to take, Chris. So if you're, let's say, using a 5x, I should set a stop loss around the 10%. If you're using a 7x, still use 10%. So it really depends on your leverage that you're willing to trade it. LTC Litecoin is an S coin. I bought 11 Litecoin sitting around $236. But I mean, if you're buying Litecoin, you should not really expect these insane amount of gains. I already was standing about it. I'm not saying that it's a shit coin. I like the transaction fees. I like the low fees, but I don't think it's going to give you the most amount of returns. I'm looking at a 5x, looking where to set the stop loss. So if you're entering at around the 58.2K, Chris, your stop loss should be exactly. Should I calculate it for you real quickly? 58.2K. 58.2K. That will be a move to the downside. If you're looking for a 2% move to the downside as a maximum, so your maximum loss can be 10%, it will be 57K exactly. And also, if you're going towards that level, you're definitely seeing a shakeout to the downside. So 57K will be your stop loss level, Chris. 57k. And of course, if you're trading, you always want to trade at your own risk here. Please be careful, because trading can... I should only advise trading for experienced traders. Because, yeah, you do want to be first... Maybe you can test on a testnet or so, because in the end of the day, you want to be sure once you're taking a trade, and also controlling your emotions is pretty hard for a lot of people. And that is one of the most important things that you can and have to do once you're trading. You have to learn to control your emotions. And of course, that's the thing. Once we're taking trades in live in the stream, I'm showing you where I will be taking profits, because also in the current trades where I'm in, I will be taking some profits. And guys, of course, right now I do want to be taking profits, because I can't close this one because I'm in very good profits, and of course I can really benefit from it. But the point here is, I do think the market will be going higher, and if we're really going towards my entry price, of course it's unfortunate, but I'm into this this trade with literally zero risk. And I haven't set a stop loss on this one, but I will right away do it here. If we're really heading towards this level, I will be just closing it in profit, but I don't think that we're heading towards the 54k anytime soon. I mean, I'm already in good positions, and I know a lot of people are right now willing to enter as well, because they also want to buy the dips. And yeah, you had a very good opportunity here to long, and if you're still looking for a long position, yes, you can still do it, but it is a little bit more risky in my approach. And also, let me check real quickly on the competition in a second, but yeah, no problem. I will be checking ADA as well. I see people are asking about ADA. It's 86% right now. So yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. It's pretty unfortunate that CR's live. I got screwed over with that one. Yeah, I already told the story that I added more to a position, and because I added more to a position, I just got wrecked. It's pretty unfortunate. Yeah, you can see it over here. People are wondering, what are you doing? So yeah, this is the other trade that I currently have open. On the 70x. So yeah, this of course very lovely to see as well. So we'll do this. We'll be moving this one a little bit more to the upside, to be honest. So yeah, looking to close these ones in very good profits. And guys, I will be taking partial profits to also counter the fees, because right now, if you can see exactly over here, you can see that I, with this trade, already paid $350 in funding fees. And of course, that's pretty unfortunate, because that can also be gains. But I mean, yeah, I also gained 5.7k with this trade, so it is doing pretty good here, and it's still worth having this trade open. But once the market is just going sideways, and the funding fees are pretty high, and right now the funding fees are still doable. The funding fees are sitting around 0.70%. Okay, that's pretty high already, but it is still doable. And if we're really going to see a move to the upside getting created here, if we're heading towards the 60k, I will be taking if we're heading towards 6k, I will be taking 10% out. Not a lot, because I do think that we can be go higher, but that means already taking, let's say it will be approximately $700 out to just counter the fees, just counter trade myself a little bit here. So taking profits is never bad, but yeah, let's see once we're going to do so. Oh, guys, I will be right away show you how you can take out partial profits of your trade. So the quantity will be 7,600. Oh, sorry, this is the limit price. The limit price will be 60k. I will be taking a 10% profit on this one, and the quantity will be 6,700. So once reaching the 60k, I'm taking 10% out of this trade, just taking minor profits. Let's see if we can reach it. Why the funding fee so high? How is it counted? So funding fees will be going very high. If a lot of people are in profit, the funding fees are going higher. It's basically how it works. Because the exchange has to make some money as well. And once, let's say, so many people, if the market is only going up, it's very easy to get long positions, right? Once the market is only going up, it's very easy to get long positions. And what will happen then is basically that they will be the funding fees will be going higher. I don't know how it exactly is calculated, but once everyone is in profit, the funding fees will be going higher, because otherwise they cannot fund you. They cannot pay it. So let me quickly check it. Oh, two support of the nations in one. That's a little bit glitched, of course. I don't like to see glitches, but yeah, sometimes it happens. So what coins, 3 or 4, would you own right now? I mean, I own way more coins than 3 or 4 coins, but I mean, yeah, I can talk about a lot of coins, but thank you for support of the nation. And it really depends on how much risk you want to take, to be honest. I mean, coins that I'm owning, I can talk, of course. A Polka starter is definitely still, I mean, still, I was not talking a lot about it on the channel, but still think it's undervalued. Marlin is also doing pretty good here, but Polka starter, definitely one you want to have here in your portfolio. Crypto.com, of course, definitely an asset that you do want to be holding as well here. I think Polkadot Markets is also not performing very good, but you have right now a very good buying opportunity in my opinion, because the project is very interesting, and it is also giving you a very cheap buying opportunity here. I mean, Super Farm, I hold this one as well. I already 3x my money from this one, doing very good, of course. But yeah, it's sitting around $4.21 right now. It's just increasing even more and more. And I mean, of course, I'm loving the gains. I don't think that you should buy it right here, but it's definitely an asset that you can be looking at as well. At sitting around 422 million. But very exciting. But yeah, I was talking about Marlin Pond. This one has also recently got listed on Binance, and this one is also very interesting project. But I mean, there are so many interesting projects. I mean, you can also talk about Yield App, but this one I will be talking about later. But this is also a very interesting project, guys, sitting around 82 cents. I mean, there's so many projects, guys, that you can be looking at. There are so many projects, but you do want to be doing your own research. But I mean, if you want to go with safe assets, I should tell you, Uniswap, Cardano, Binance Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Crypto.com, Altcoin seems to be also a very high anticipated coin. Can maybe also head towards the top 10. Is looking very, very promising as well. Feta looks good. I think Litecoin will be still staying around here, because I do believe that Bitcoin will be staying around in 10 to 15 years. And the legendary tokens like Litecoin will be also hanging around there. So yeah, there are so many opportunities to make very good gains here. And it really depends on what your strategy is. Market capitalization minus circulating supply. Yeah, that's true. Another new all-time high. Highest March temperature in the Netherlands. Now 26.1 degrees in Arken. I mean, Robert, it's pretty warm. I mean, it's not very warm, because once I'm going to Dubai, guys, exactly 1 month away, because in exactly 1 month I will be in Dubai. I'm looking forward to it. Let me know if you guys look forward to it as well, because yeah, we will be of course making videos along the way, and of course still keeping you guys up to date. We'll be doing daily live streams as well over there, so looking forward to it. Going to work together, going to see some other YouTubers over there as well, so looking forward to it. And let me know if you want to follow me on the journey as well, because yeah, I mean, Dubai is going to be very interesting. If you want to follow me on the journey as well, you definitely want to follow me on Instagram, because on Instagram I will be keeping you guys up to date what I will be doing. And yeah, it's definitely a recommendation if you want to follow me over there, because sometimes saying some very cool things in the stories, I'm sometimes making updates about the market, or once I'm seeing a very important news story, also sharing it over here. And because I already started the shameless promotion, you can also follow me on Twitter. Would be of course very cool. We were discussing this one over here as well. 58.1k over here. You were saying the trend is your friend. Hashtag Bitcoin playing out the rising parallel channel. So the trend is your friend, guys. Don't trade against the trend. Don't trade against the trend. So yeah, you can follow us over here as well. So it would be of course very cool. Bro, do you know Just Coin? No, I don't know. Which coin is that? Ice Age won't face me one bit. I mean, yeah, in Dubai it is 36 degrees, so it's going to be hot as F. I mean, it's going to be very hot. I don't know if I can handle it. 36 degrees. That's so hard. That's so hot. And there are pretty ladies in Dubai. Yeah, that's the reason, bro. That's the reason. That is the reason why we're heading towards that, because there are so many beautiful people over there. Sorry. Let me check. Like and subscribe, alligators. Yeah, of course. If you're liking, we're almost towards the 1,000 likes. Yeah, why you're all going to Dubai? I mean, it's the place to be. Everyone is there, and that's the reason why I'm also going to there. And basically, everyone's there, and also have some appointments over there, because yeah, it's just, if you look to tax reasons, it's just a little bit more interesting. And you can also go to different countries. You can go to the Maldives, or you can go to Monaco, but I think Dubai just suits me a little bit better, and I'm looking to get my own place as well over there. So that is the reason. Already scouting a little bit there, and I'm only going for 1 month right now in May, so only from 1 month, 3 weeks towards 1 month I will be there. But just purely to look around to, of course, have also some appointments for maybe a possibility for an apartment that I can get over there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So Vapor Smooth also donated here, and you're saying, what are your thoughts on Grappling Protocol? Let me check it real quickly. So I can only compare it to Wrapped Ether, and we're not doing pretty fundamental research in the stream, because then we have to do fundamental research. It will be taking a while, because if you want to do good research, you're usually it takes a lot of time. So on the channel we are doing mostly technical analysis, and if you look at this coin, I don't really like the information that we are getting provided here. 36 degrees is called blessings once you have 40 degrees in the summer. That's from Malta. That's insane. Yeah, I was in Malta last summer. I was there as well. It was pretty hot. That was the only place that I could go to because of COVID. So it was still nice, but I don't really like this scenario we are having here. I don't see a lot of information. So, bro, let me see. Vapor Smooth. I do want to be checking it, but I mean, this is not a lot of information that I can work with. Of course, I can set up a minor Fibonacci too, and you can see that we are right now breaking through this critical level around to 1.618. But I mean, there's just not a lot of information about this one. There is just not a lot of information about. Let me check the coin market cap. Maybe we have some more information over here. Yeah, over here. Man, I mean, you can see there's not a lot of information about this one, and it seems like a good project. I don't know. I have to do my own research. I have to go to the site, etc. But I mean, they just recently got launched. I can't give really my honest opinion about this one. Yeah, bro, if you like this one, you can definitely buy into it. But I can't do the fundamental research right now in the stream. It's a pretty low market cap as well. But yeah, Bitcoin is moving up once again on the 1 hour. Bitcoin is moving a little bit higher. I live in Dubai. Yeah, it's cool. Guys, I see also a lot of people from the channel who are watching right now. They are living in Dubai or so. Yeah, definitely go to meet up with you guys as well if you love it. Going to be there. You need your V word to be allowed to leave the country. V word, what do you mean with it? Do you mean... maybe I can't say it because otherwise I get shadow banned. So I will be careful with what I say right now. What are the tax benefits from the from Dubai? In my country, it gets 10% tax. 10% tax is not a lot compared to the Netherlands. It's not a lot. I mean, it's 0% tax there. That's the reason. 0%. Slowly pounding through the resistance. DJ, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the stream, bro. I was not seeing you yet. So yeah, we were first looking at this in percentage shoulders. We're already breaking up to the upside. And please, guys. And I mean, guys, I see everyone talking about elongate, and guys, this is elongate. This is once again, elongate is a scam coin. You can see it already. Look at the chat. Oh, I know. He means that V word. Okay, I can't talk about that because otherwise I get maybe shadow end as well. But yes, let me check what were you saying exactly. Let me know. But guys, please look out for the coin elongate. Guys, look out for elongate. Look at all these scammers in the chat. You think they're real, but they're not real. They're all scammers. Please look your papers. Of course, my papers are all okay. My papers are all okay. But guys, look at this. There are all scammers in the chat here. They're just saying this. These are bots probably. So you have to be careful with people that are saying in the chat here. Man, I don't like it. I don't want to give a shout out to them. I mean, you want to be careful, guys. I don't like that. I don't like that once a lot of people are saying the exact same coin, and a coin is so unknown, and they're saying it here in the chat. It just makes me feel it's a scam, so I will be not discussing it. Let me check it up here. Let me check it up here. No bots here. Yeah, if guys, you're saying it's not a bot thing, but I mean the text messages that they were saying, you want to be careful. I mean, I don't trust it. I mean, some other YouTubers were contacting me as well about It was the other project. What was it called? It was True Moon, Save Moon or so. Save Moon is also a very scammy project because there were some bots in their channel as well, talking about, oh damn, Bitcoin is pumping, guys. But they were talking about Save Moon, and these bots were donating as well just to get their watchers buying into Save Moon. So guys, don't please be careful with Save Moon as well. It's a meme coin. Yeah, I mean it's a meme coin. Yeah, okay. I don't know, man. If it is a meme coin, okay, you can buy into it. But I mean, I don't really like it. Don't like to give these coins shoutouts if they are just talking about it so many. So Sherry, you're saying an apple in the chat, and I know you're you're sending me DMs, of course, and you're eating these apples each and every time. And I hope you're enjoying the apples because guys, we are loving apples on the channel. DJ, yeah, I know. It was safe one, yeah. We are real, dude. Okay. I mean, yeah, if you're not a bot, that's cool because now you gave me the confirmation. Why do you think it's Elon Gate is a scam? Because I just see so many people saying it in the chat with these scammy type messages. And guys, also, I mean, if I literally can't stop it. If I go to the videos, you can see all these scammers. I'm blocking them so many times. You can see all these replies, etc. Oh, they are the best, etc. Don't fall for this. They're so... I'm blocking them. I'm trying to block all these scammers, but usually there are too many scammers to block them all. And here you probably can see fake crypto rover. Look at this once again, fake crypto rover. You only have them. It's so freaking annoying. So yeah, I'm always trying to block these guys off, guys, but please don't fall for it because I also want to raise awareness to you guys because I see already some people were falling for these scams. And in the Discord server also, we are upgrading the security in the Discord server with the Scapecha. So if you're willing, if you don't see anything in the crypto over Discord server right now, you first have to verify yourself. To counter these bots because there are so many bots as well on the Discord server and we want to counter them. So if you want to join the Discord server right now, you can definitely do so right now. Spin to the live chat and also in the Discord. But you have to verify yourself first at the channel Kapasha. And if you're going to there and you type just verify, you get a private message and you get verified and you can be having access to the whole server once again. So make sure to check it out here. So the Raging Cake, I do have double. Okay, it's working once again. So the donations are coming double up into the screen. So you're saying check out R3FI. My dude is. What are you saying? It is not a scam gate. You're pretty funny. So let me check it for you. This is also. I mean, guys, there's so many coins right now. And I purely don't look to all the. There's so many coins coming up. You can see 9,000 cryptocurrencies right now currently over here. There's so many projects, and this was again a project I don't really know about. I mean, yeah, you can do your research. I don't know exactly this project, bro. We'll be looking into it for you, but you can see stealth uprun, and then we were decreasing once again in valuation. But the problem here, what is making me feel a little bit, I do want to be you guys to be conservative as well, because there are a lot of scam projects coming out as well, because people are seeing, oh, crypto is a space to make money, and they're going. Once there is a lot of money circulating in a world, there are also going to be a lot of scammers. So I mean, I'm not saying that this coin is a scam or so, but I mean, you want to be careful with some projects. You first want to do your research. But let me check it in the charts. Do I have this one as well over here? I don't have this one on TradingView. That's pretty unfortunate, bro. No, this one is not on TradingView. That is pretty unfortunate. It's not on TradingView. But yeah, it looks like that you are cooling off for a second. Don't know what you're going to do here. You don't want to do your own research, but it's very hard to give my opinion about these coins, guys. If you're requesting a coin in the super chat or so, make sure to give me a coin that's also available on TradingView. And I mean, this is very hard to give my opinion about. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. But yeah, we opened a new 15-minute candle, guys. Let's go. Can we increase more valuation? 10k volume. That's not a lot. That's not a lot, true. That's not a lot. Thank you, Crypto Rover. I got earned with your ideas. God bless you more. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's see what Bitcoin can do, guys. We are still moving more to the upside. Once we're moving higher, always lovely to see, guys. Always lovely to see the price action moving a little bit higher. Sebastian, thank you for donating. Always cool that you're supporting the channel. Bitcoin pumping nicely. Yeah, we were discussing this just a minute ago. See, Bitcoin still moving up quite a bit. It is on the 50-minute candles right now. You can see we're steadily starting a new uptrend here. We dumped quite significantly, but now people can see we are probably forming once again a higher low. So if you zoom out, you're just still getting supported quite nice. And I do think that the 60k is imminent anytime soon here. The 60k is imminent anytime soon here. Yeah, inverse and shoulders on the 4 hourly or cup and handle. That's completely true. We are looking extremely bullish on the higher time frames, in my opinion. I mean, if you look to the patterns that you are possibly can play here, it is just particularly looking very good. And yes, there is also, you're saying an inverse hand and shoulders. This is also not out of the books, guys. This is also a thing that's not out of the books. You can see, if you're looking to play in, to play in head and shoulders, you can see here, left shoulder getting created, head, oh damn, I have to draw it correctly. Head getting created, and right now creating maybe a right shoulder. So let's see what we're going to do. Let's see if we're going to create an inverse head and shoulders on the 4 hour. Of course, guys, inverse head and shoulders, cup and handle is basically giving you the same exact price target. So it doesn't really matter how you look at it. You can call it an cup and handle. You can call it an inverse head and shoulders. But yeah, I mean, with this left dump over here, the left shoulder, it is also just giving you a confirmation about an even more bullish scenario. And the thing that I do like here, because you could also create this shoulder way lower, but we were already stopped out over here. So it is particularly looking good for me. And guys, same price target for the cup and handle and the inverse and the shoulders, but this is only giving me more confirmations that we are just looking very strong in the market right now. So yeah, thank you for letting me know, of course. But yeah, guys, let's see if we can break through this level, because right now the level that we do want to be watching here is the 59.3k here. Do want to see 4 hourly candle close above it before I can flip extremely bullish, of course. I do want to see the confirmation coming in here. I don't want to be rushing into anything. I do want to be waiting, because we can still get a rejection and maybe move lower and just invalidate the inverse and the shoulders. Thanks for calling it. No problem. Can someone send me some dollars to me on Binance? Sorry, man. Hi, Joseph, also donating here, and you were saying, hey, any thoughts on cap? So let me check cap real quickly here. But Bitcoin is looking good, guys. Bitcoin is looking good. So let me check this one. This is on TradingView. Unfortunately, this one is also not on TradingView. But what you can see over here, basically what we are having, because it got launched in 2018, we got way more circulating supply. Because if I can fix this real quickly, I cannot enable the market capitalization from here. But yeah, what you can see over here is basically probably, at least we had this altcoin season here in 2018, but also way more circulating supply was coming in. But yeah, if you look to this lower time frame here, if you look to the past moments here from let's say for the past 2 or 3 months here, you can see in December it was sitting you already could have made a very significant increase in valuation. Let me check it. It was sitting at 2 cents over here. Here it was only setting around the 8% of a cent, so it could have given you very good returns. But I mean, you do want to be spotting these projects once it is setting very low. The volume is not all too high. The volume is only 560k here right now, so I don't really like the low volume. Once the volume is sitting so low, I don't like these projects that, of course, you can be making very good gains if these if you're buying into coins that only having a 12 million market cap, but it's also having a very high risk. So it's an entertainment coin, so maybe it's doing something with with some other stuff. So maybe with Corona is a very good thing here, but yeah, you do want to do your own research on this one. I'm being careful because I don't like coins with very low volume. Of course, you can buy into coins that are very cheap, very low market cap, but the only thing here that you do want to know here is the lower the market cap, the higher the risk, but also the higher the potential reward. So yeah, you're maybe taking a minor gamble, but you can easily 100x your money with this if it's a really good project. So yeah, man, good luck with it. And today, 47% increasement of price. So let's see what it is going to do. And I hope the best for you, man. I hope the best, that you're truly going to make some very good gains on this one. But it's once again very hard to give my thoughts about these coins that are basically unknown to everyone. The week of either take it or leave it. Trust Fire is completely true. I have to agree with you. I can't deny it. This is literally the week of Ethereum. Did you already check ADA? Of course, but I will be checking it for you once again. Yeah, ADA is already checked on the stream, of course, multiple times. We love ADA on the channel. But yeah, what we're having with ADA right now is pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. You can see this gray box scenario is still holding up for the price action of 88. Once we're moving lower, we're finding support on this one, and once we're reaching higher, we're finding support at this resistance level over here. So yeah, this is the resistance level on the 1 hourly. Having 3 touch points already, so it will probably show a lot of significance. And we're looking like forming a descending triangle right now. So let's see if we can be breaking out to the upside anytime soon here. Because if we're breaking to the upside, of course, this can mean a little bit more volatility can be created to the upside. But yeah, once we're really moving to the downside, because we do want to be looking at multiple scenarios here, I am not freaking out if we're going to move to the downside. I will be only accumulating more because, as you guys already know, I was telling you guys this, that I'm accumulating ADA for already a long period of time, and I don't know why this line completely was gone away, because I was drawing this already a little bit different previously, as you can see, also because we were discussing ADA early in the stream as well. But you can see ADA is just finding support at this very good supportive line here. So I do think if you really want to buy big into ADA, I should wait a little bit here, maybe touching this supportive line here. We do want to be breaking the gray box. I don't think it's very likely. We're not just going to break through this level, because it is also providing us very good support previously and very significant resistance over here. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. But yeah, first want to see this break of this resistance line coming in. First want to see this break of the resistance line before flipping extremely bullish. And just like Ethereum, all my charts are just going nuts. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. This one's also completely different right now. I don't know why. This is pretty annoying. Yeah, let's see what the Ethereum is going to do here. But guys, yeah, I was drawing this differently. Okay, I will be redrawing this later on, but I don't know what is going on with my trading view. Economy delays. So Economy is definitely a project that I do really like, man. I do really like the project, and I think it has huge potential in the coming years, and of course also bull market. So Jonathan is saying Crypto.com staking and end of the alt season. Will Crypto.com crash? A very interesting question from you. Will it crash? I don't will be calling it a crash, but yes, it will be correcting, just like Bitcoin. Yes, it will be correcting, no doubt about it. It's highly likely to see it crash. But what I do think with Crypto.com, I do think Crypto.com is a special asset. Of course, it won't be going up for forever, because no coin or no asset class will be going up forever. It will be going into waves. So if you're talking about bigger picture, yes, I think it will be going up forever, because then I'm talking about, let's say, 5 to 10 years here. But yes, by the end of the bull run, yes, it will probably crash. And I'm also staking my Crypto.com. So I staked it only for 3 months here. Will be holding my Crypto.com for the long run, because I have a long run portfolio. That's the reason why I'm also staking it, because I bought it very cheap and I'm looking to sit on it for a very long period of time. And I mean, yeah, even though it can be crashing, I will be only taking 50% out once we're reaching the $1.50, and after that, I will be just sitting on it forever. Not forever, but at least for 10 to 15 years here. Do think it can be huge, and yes, it will certainly crash. It's no doubt that it will be, of course, be crashing like every other coin, just like every other coin. It will crash hard. Yes, no doubt. Every coin will be crashing. Yeah, Bitcoin minus 75%. I don't think that we're going to see a 75% correction for Bitcoin in this coming bull market. I do think coming bull market, Bitcoin will be correcting for, let's say, yeah, 75. I'm sitting very close, 60 to 70% or so. Not an 80% correction. Not an 80% correction. I do think it will be less volatile, because the market is maturing, guys. The market is getting more mature, and I don't think that we're going to see an 80% correction. Altcoins can still take a big hit in the bear market. Probably the most amount of altcoins will take a very big hit, and probably very few altcoins will be still gaining very good, because there is still more interest in the cryptocurrency space. That is the reason why we're probably also going to see some altcoins still holding up, doing good. But it will be only the very good projects. Just like we were seeing with Chainlink as well. Chainlink had this insane run-up when Bitcoin was not doing anything all too crazy, to be honest. So, yeah, probably going to see the same. So, good projects will still be doing very good. And guys, a thing that we are doing here on the channel is, of course, accumulating very good projects. And also, I have a coin that will probably do very good in the bear market. I have a coin that probably will do very good in the bear market. And I know, it's very risky to say. And probably that coin will still take a hit in the bear market, but I think compared to other coins, that coin will be doing good. But I will let you know. always use a stop loss. Losing 5% is better than getting liquidated. It's completely true. I mean, that is, once again, stop loss is very good because it can help you control your emotions. Because usually, once you're saying, okay, you really have to strong hands, otherwise you cannot do it. Because usually, once you're saying, okay, I'm seeing it going minus 5%. So you're seeing your trades going into the negative, and you're saying, okay, I'm just going to hold on it. Once it flips green, I will be going out of it. Then it flips green, and then you're getting too greedy, and you're not going out of it. So please set a stop loss or so. If you're moving into negative, yeah, man, please minimize your loss. Control your emotions. And stop losses, I use them for emotion control. Emotion control. I mean, I can handle my emotions, even though I usually monitor my trades all myself, and if I see it, going right out of it right away. But some people can't do that. Some people can't do it, and probably you know it already from yourself. If you have experience with this, because of course I experienced it myself as well, but it's just purely a thing. The more frequently you're doing it, the more books you're reading, the more mental strong you're getting, the better you can handle these scenarios. I don't use stop losses, I go by liquidations. Okay, everyone has his own strategy, because you have to know, we were reading this earlier today, 600 million in longs got liquidated in just a matter of 5 minutes. It can go very fast. And that is the reason. Have stop losses, because Bitcoin can have flash crashes. And this was just, of course, a thing that we were seeing. Big flash crash. Just suddenly very volatile. And of course, I love to see volatility, because it is providing us very good opportunities. Because we added more to our position over here. We added more to our position, and I love to see it, because I was not planning to. I was planning to maybe add more to a position once reaching this level or so. But yeah, of course, we haven't broke through it, so I added more to a position lower. So basically, what Bitcoin probably will be doing is start a new uptrend, and in the end of the day, it will be going parabolic. But let's see what we're going to do for Bitcoin. Still looking particularly good. Still looking very good. I love to see it. Of course, 50-minute steady uptrend getting created. So the kamikaze syndrome. Yeah, truly, you really want to have you're really having kamikaze. Yeah, look at this entry price. Of course, I added even more, but my initial entry was around the 50k approximately over here. You guys were seeing it. You can also go back into the streams if you don't believe me, in the previous streams. Eden take profit for rockets. I mean, Eden will not take profits anytime soon. If I hit my stop loss this morning. Well, now again, I don't know. I don't know what your stop loss price is, my friend. I mean, some people, they think I don't use the stop loss, because then what will happen is just my stop loss is at this wick. Oh, sorry, my camera is not enabled. So my stop loss is at this wick. And people say, no, I'm moving the stop loss. I'm moving the stop loss a little bit more. But where are you going to set your border? Where are you really going to go out? Because maybe it will even drop further. You don't know. And sometimes it's just better to take a risk and look for the next opportunity. And even though if you got stopped out of here, you took a minor hit. But please look for the next opportunity. Don't freak out. Of course, you're probably still arguing with yourself. You're mad, etc. But please don't do so. Don't get wrecked. Don't be one of these guys that are getting wrecked over here. You can just, if you're getting stopped out of here, you can be looking for a new opportunity anytime soon here. So, Cicada, thank you for your £1 donation. You're sending me a hamburger. Now I'm getting very hungry. And of course, I'm going to go to a barbecue later on tonight. So, yeah, guys, I will be making an Instagram story. So, if you're interested in what I'm going to do tonight, because that's also the reason why I'm streaming tonight. I don't know for how long I will be streaming from here on. But, of course, very excited. But I will be going to a barbecue. So, if you want to check out something about my private life as well, you can be following me right away here on Instagram. Would be, of course, very cool. And big shout out for everyone who is right now following me, because I really want to reach that 3K followers as well over here. I see TS Malu. Big shout out to you, of course. Big shout out to More Cost, Rock Solid. Let me know if you're watching as well right now, if you're seeing your own name here. Would be, of course, very cool if you're right now following. I see loads and loads of people are following. It's very cool. Guys, thank you so much. Let me know if you saw your own name. Let me know real quickly in the chat. Yep, thanks again. No problem. My stop loss is around 46.7k. Yeah, you're doing a good job if your stop loss is over there. You're doing a very good job if your stop loss is over there. I know. It's during lockdown, but of course, guys, sometimes you have to do. I'm just getting so bored about lockdown. Of course, it's very important for me, but I mean, that's also the reason why I want to go to Dubai, because there you can just do stuff, and I just want to enjoy life also a little bit. I was going with the training competition today, Team Rover. Shane, yeah, it's doing good here, but only one thing was pretty unfortunate because I will be getting the account in front of me. Because if you look to this account, this was pretty unfortunate. Let me get it one in front of you because this account, I'm in it with a 70x, and this is CR's live. He was first P1 in the team, but what happened here is that I added more to my position. I added a little bit more to my position, so my average ROI went lower, and that was also the reason why I went from the 200% towards the 100% with this account. So right now only sitting at 114, but I was sitting at 200. So that was pretty stupid by me. I have to admit it, but I didn't know that it was working like this. So I'm so sorry. I was pushing the team a little bit lower. Yeah, right now sitting at P4 still, but yeah, guys, we're going towards the P1 anytime soon here. I'm in good trades. At least let me know if you guys are also in good trades because we're doing this all together. We're doing this challenge all together. I see the team. Look at how much profits everyone is here. At least the first 3 pages, everyone's above the 20%. So lovely to see, of course. I mean, these 2 accounts are for me. This one and CR is live. So yeah, definitely looking forward to push this higher. But I just got screwed over with adding more to my position. So that's pretty unfortunate, right? 78, what a madman. Yeah, I know. I'm a true madman. But yeah, look at this entry, guys. Look at this entry. Wait, I will disable the RSI real quickly. But look at this entry. Right now my stop loss is around the 54k. I added a little bit more to this position, of course. And also up the leverage a little bit more. But yeah, right now approximately with 1k initial. 6k profit. So yeah, I mean the profits are doing good already. But my plan is ready to write this one to 80k because then we can be catching, let's say, 0.5 Bitcoin already. So yeah, looking forward to it. Don't stress, Bo. We all lost something. We will be making it back, of course. I'm long at 51k. What's the best price to take profit? Mohammed, of course, taking profits is never bad. I think 60%. Once reaching the 60k, I think you can already take a minor bit out of it. You can maybe take 10 or 15% profit just to counter your fees, etc. But ready to take big profits, I will be looking for 70k or 75k Bitcoin. I will be taking, once reaching the 70k, at least, let's say 30% profit or so. So yeah, I'm not looking to take big profits yet. I also put my position out of the top 10. Oh, that's pretty unfortunate. More to my position and out of the top 10. So yeah, would be of course very cool. We're also getting a golden cross on the daily MACD. So let me check it. Are we getting a daily cross on the MACD? That would be of course very cool. Let me get the MACD real quickly in front of you. Let me see MACD strategy. Oh damn, this is the MACD strategy. Sorry. Let me get the MACD in front of me. So yeah, we are having a golden cross on the daily for the MACD, guys. We'll go to the clear chart. So let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it over here. So you can see we're right now also having a golden cross on the daily, and usually once you're having a golden cross, you're just starting a very stealth uptrend. So this is of course also a very lovely thing to see. The MACD is also shifting the momentum because usually you're seeing momentum shifts. You're seeing the momentum moving up and down and up, and right now we're shifting the momentum more to the upside. So this is looking good. It's looking very good, and you can see, yeah, golden cross almost. I think tomorrow we will be confirming the cross, and maybe already today. So guys, we are pumping. I was not even noticed it. I was not even paying attention, guys. Damn. I have to look at this. Damn. I was not seeing this, and I just look at the chat for 1 second, and I see everyone is saying in the chat, we are pumping. So yeah, damn, we are pumping quite significantly. Yeah, guys, truly lovely to see here. Yes, we are pumping. So yeah, let's zoom in a little bit here. We are setting a new local high, at least for this one. So let's see if we can take out the 60k level, of course. That will be very important for me. So let's see if we can write this one to... thank you also for your support of the nation, Jonah. How do you take partial profits? Do you reduce your margin? No, I will be showing you it right away. How you take partial profits. Okay, so... I use limit. So wait, I will be getting rid of my face here. Real quickly, you can see the Bitcoin price is pumping as well. 59k here on the family chart. So what you can do here, give me a second. Oh, you cannot see, you can't see it. So let me do it over here. If I do this, I think you can see this. So yeah, you can see it right now. So you can see over here, it's saying limit where my head is over here. It is saying limit. So if you press on limit here, you can select a certain level. So right now I will be making the screen big again. And let me fix everything. It always works so annoying. I'm sorry for my bad skills here, but it works so annoying. But yeah, you can see over here, we're having this also will be enabling this. Sorry for me being so chaotic. I'm so sorry. But you can also see over here, once you touch limit over there, you just type in the price where you do want to take partial profits. In this trade, you can see it over here, is we are in 81,000. So 81,000 is our quantity. And here you can write how much quantity you want to close here. So once reaching the 60K here, I will be taking 10% profit. So I will be typing in 8,000 quantity. So now you see it. We're going to take 10% profit. So that's 8,000 quantity once reaching that target. So it's very easy, right? Very easy, not hard to do. And thank you for your support of the nation. Breaking the 59K, good momentum. Yeah, guys, let's go. We were just looking at the daily MACD, and we were seeing on the daily MACD that we are, of course, flipping very bullish. And, oh, damn, what I'm doing, I'm disabling the wrong one. So, yeah, well, of course, you were seeing on the daily MACD that we were increasing the momentum. It's definitely lovely to see. Definitely a good thing to see. Let's see what we're going to do. Rov, what do you think about EOS? I'm not looking to buy 270 projects, to be honest. Sorry for me messing around. I was just figuring out some stuff here. But guys, I truly love to see Bitcoin showing more momentum to the upside. Good momentum ongoing. Yeah, we are definitely having good momentum for Bitcoin right now. So also the thing what we are having very good momentum is the subscriber count, guys. Already. We're very, very close with reaching the 29.7K, guys. Can we reach it today? That will be, of course, absolutely amazing, because maybe tomorrow we can be reaching the 30K. And you know it, once we're reaching the 30K, we will be giving away 3 Litecoins. And I'm looking forward to the giveaway. It's approximately a giveaway of $1,000. And it's, of course, a thing that I love to do here, because first I thought, okay, I'm going to give away 2 ledgers, but 2 ledgers is only $300. So this is a way bigger giveaway. And of course, once reaching the 40K, once reaching the 50K, once reaching the 100K, the giveaways will be only becoming bigger. And of course, looking forward to it. ADA news. Oh, damn, guys, do we have something with ADA? Oh, it's not blasting off. Wait, do we have ADA news? Do we have ADA? Okay, I'm looking it up right away, guys, for you. I'm looking it up right away for you guys. Do we have some breaking news? No, we don't have breaking news yet. No, we have no breaking news for ADA. I'm looking at CoinDesk. CoinDesk is not giving me any interesting articles. I'm not seeing anything interesting. Do we have something very interesting? Let me know if we're having something. Oh, wait. And look at this. Oh, we are getting another super chat here. But by the way, Engine raises 19 million. Miles is saying, what's a good time to long? Let me get into it in a second. But guys, I quickly want to discuss this. You can see Engine raises almost 19 million for the private token sale built on the Polkadot power chain for NFTs. So that's pretty interesting. 19 million. I think they could have got more. But public watching FNET to Polkadot. So that's pretty interesting. They're already secured a multi-million dollar funding raise. Bitcoin pump. Yeah. Oh, guys, is Bitcoin not stopping? Yeah, we were witnessing Bitcoin, of course. We were witnessing Bitcoin. We can get into the news later on, because news, I like news, but the Bitcoin chart is just a little bit more exciting. Bitcoin pumping, yeah, it's just not stopping anytime soon. And you're saying, where is a good time to enter Bitcoin? And this is very hard to say, because right now, if you're entering, you're just purely FOMOing in. And if you really want to have a good entry, yeah, I should at least wait a little bit long. Oh, damn. Everyone is saying Bitcoin is not looking to sub 59.3K. Yeah, of course. It really depends on which chart you're taking. And if you want to trade, yeah, you should use my Fairmax referral link, because then you're getting some extra bonuses. And you were asking me, where is a good time to enter your position? And I do think, if I be really honest with you, if we're going to see another move down getting created and heading towards this previous high here, but the thing here, I don't think it's likely that we're going to go to this level, because Bitcoin is absolutely pumping right now. Bitcoin is not looking to stop, guys. This is insane. I'm getting very exciting. Sorry for me overreacting a little bit here, but this is looking very good here. This is looking extremely bullish. Let me check up on the trades here. This one, approximately 9K profit right now. And the other one is, damn, guys, we're just doing such a good job here. This one, let me check it real quickly. This one right now in 6.2K profit. Oh, damn, all these trades are just doing a very good job. But guys, when to enter a trade here, I do think the 58.1K is still a good entry target. 58, sorry. 58.1k or 58.2k will be a very good one. And let me see, April Fools, it will be pumping. Yes, definitely it will be pumping. But guys, let me check up on one very important thing here, because let me check what the dollar index is doing here. I haven't looked into it yet here, but yeah, you can see past 4 hours, we are moving down. Are we cooling off? Are we creating a top? That would be very nice, because the dollar index is only increasing, and this is of course a very big enemy for Bitcoin. So let's see what it is going to do. Lost 2k in the dump, want it all back right now. Nordy, this is what we love to see. Hopefully you're going to keep your emotions very tight here, because I don't know if you really lost it, or if you let's say were losing profit, or that you really lost it. So that's of course a big difference. But I mean, I was also losing profits, but I mean, I'm not scared to lose a little bit of profits, because I know in the end of the day I will be making it back. But guys, look at the significance. Look at the significance of this chart. You can see parallel channel providing very good support. And the dollar index is decreasing, but basically because of the fees, I cannot say the word, because of the fees, Bitcoin is absolutely crushing it right now. But because of the fees of the epidemic currently going up, it's going good. That's the reason why the faith in the dollar index is returning, and also why the price is pushing up a little bit, even though that they're printing so much money here. So Ethereum pumping as well. Check it out. So Ethereum it's not increasing compared to Bitcoin. You can still see Ethereum compared to Bitcoin losing valuation. Don't like to see it. I do want to see Ethereum also gaining a little bit more, but Ethereum is right now heading towards our critical resistance target, guys. Are we going to Are we going to break through this resistance line? That will be very crucial for Ethereum. If we can do so, I will be flipping extremely bullish. And this 4-hourly candle will be closing in 47 minutes, guys. 47 minutes, and we're going to close this one. Damn it, I feel extremely bullish. And look at this scenario. Look at the inverse head and shoulders / cup and handle scenario. Guys, this is extremely bullish. And I see also Fat saying, moon soup, let's eat it. Guys, this is literally moon soup. Oh, damn. We're just extremely bullish. Look at this. Bitcoin even increasing more in valuation. Right now, we are trading at critical levels for Bitcoin, because if we can break through this level, guys, and this 4-hourly candle will be closing in 47 minutes, and if we can crush it above, if we can close it above this line, damn it, we're absolutely going to moon today already. We're going to do it today. We're going to set a new all-time high today, I think, if we at least can close this 4-hourly candle above this line here. Guys, can we do it? Let me know real quickly in the chat. That will be, of course, very cool. I'm pretty sure you have to cancel the barbecue right now. Unfortunately, I can't. I do have to head out in approximately 30 minutes. 30 minutes approximately I have to head out. So, of course, we'll be doing the live stream as long as possible here, guys. But I don't want to miss this. We're going to discuss every single bit here before I'm going to my barbecue, of course. But... yeah, look at this. Look at this. Bitcoin showing more volatility here. And, of course, I love it, because once Bitcoin is pushing up, we're seeing also the trades doing particularly good, guys. Price prediction. Price prediction for this pump is very easy to say. At least if I look to the parallel channel scenario, of course, I do think it's very likely for Bitcoin to head towards the top side of this resistance. And that is approximately already around the previous all-time high. So, the previous all-time high will be very strong resistance for Bitcoin. And I do think that we can be reaching it already today or tomorrow. So, be careful. And I did not expect this to happen today. It's not even April. And Shelro, that is exactly what I was going to say here, because on Twitter I was also saying this. April hasn't not even started. Laughing my ass off, of course, because it was pretty funny. Because the month of April hasn't not even started. And April will be one of the bullishest months ever. What price to enter Ethereum? If Ethereum can break through this level, so your entry price on the next 4-hourly close will be, of course, $1,854 on the FanMax chart. So if you haven't signed up already, you are getting very good long opportunities that you can take right now. Bitcoin is providing good opportunities. Ethereum is providing good opportunities. I mean, of course, always have to trade at your own risk here, but it is looking like that we're getting very strong accumulation zones, that we are getting very good levels where we can open our long positions at. I'm just looking forward to it, guys, where we are heading towards. So, yeah, you can sign up with the referral link right now in the description, because if you're doing so, you can get also some very nice bonuses, because you can get $680 bonus if you're using the FanMax referral link, also a $300 bonus if you're using the Bybit referral link, of course, after initial deposit, but will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. Will be very amazing if you're doing so. Let's see if we can crush it even. Month of April is bullish. That's completely true. The month of April is extremely bullish, and we cannot ignore it. Look at Bitcoin showing more volatility. Guys, let's go. Let's go with these trades. I'm absolutely feeling it. We are making such huge amounts of gains, guys. The gains are not stopped right now, guys. Also, my Bybit account, Bybit just broke to 59.3k here, so that's absolutely good to hear. Let me quickly check up on my Bybit account, because Bybit account is currently only active on my telephone. Oh, I'm making good gains already over here as well. So opening swing trades everywhere, guys. Opening swing trades positions also on my Bybit account. Bybit is of course only on my telephone, but guys, are we going to create a new all-time high right now? This is absolutely insane. We are pumping. I mean, I'm getting so excited right now, guys. I'm getting very excited. Let me check up. People are saying, can you check the 70x trade? Let me check the 70x trade. The suicide trade, of course, going good as well here. The suicidal trade going good here. Yeah, I mean, love these entries. Love these entries. Did we already touch the 60k? No, we have not. No, we have not touched the 70k yet. 60k, sorry. 60k incoming. Oh my gosh, yes, we are. Look at this V-shaped recovery, guys. Let me get this in front of you. Let me get this in front of you. Look at this V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin. These are the best things to do. Let me get this chart in front of you. Let me get this chart. Let me remove everything. Just on the 1 hour. Doesn't this look very bullish? This is just a V-shaped recovery, just purely right away recovering. If we right now can also break through this level, this will be, of course, extremely bullish. Guys, nothing is holding us back here. And, of course, there are some levels. I'm saying nothing is holding us back. There are still levels that are holding us back here. You can see, oh, damn, we're breaking through. We are smashing through this level. I can't wait. Oh, my gosh, the pump is insane. Yes, indeed, guys. This pump is absolutely insane. And if you haven't already, make sure to smash up the likes here right now, because that will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so right now. Because then we can also still give away a mug here. We're only 100 likes away. Can we smash up another 100 likes for the price of Bitcoin right now? Because Bitcoin is smashing to a new all-time high. Can we also do it right now with the like buttons? That will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. But look at Bitcoin. 42 minutes, guys. Another insane 42 minutes ahead of us. Because these 42 minutes will be very important. Are we going to close this 4-hourly candle above this critical level of resistance? Because then we will be, of course, creating this extremely bullish inverse hand and shoulders, guys. And inverse hand and shoulders are just not already very bullish patterns. Even on the higher time frames, just like the 4-hour, this is, of course, even more bullish. And, of course, I will be also quickly doing a post on Twitter. Because, of course, not everyone is right now watching the stream. And I do want to keep everyone up to date. Let me quickly do this tweet real quickly. And if you want to support the channel as well, you can right away like this tweet. That would be, of course, very cool. Let me check this. Hashtag Bitcoin. Inverse. Guys, if you want to follow me as well here on Twitter, it would be, of course, very amazing. But just quickly making another update for everyone who's following me over there, who's right now not watching the stream. Would be, of course, very amazing if you're also following me on Twitter. It's @RoverCrypto. Yeah, will be, of course, just very cool, because then we can be, of course, sharing this to more people, because we just want to give our thoughts to everyone. We just want to help out the whole community. Tomorrow it's April. Be careful. I mean, I'm not being careful here. I am careful, but I don't think April will be bad for Bitcoin. I think April will be only giving us better and better returns. FOMO into the like button. Guys, that would be, of course, very cool. Trade position, please. I mean, yes, I see everyone wants to enter a trade position right now, but what you want to be doing here if you're looking to trade, because I know a lot of people on the channel, we are doing this, of course, to look for certain trade positions. I am trading a lot here on the channel. You guys seem to love it. And if you really want to enter position still, because we on the channel already entered the position way earlier, but if you still want to enter your position, you should wait a little bit for the 4-hourly close, and then you want to open on the retest. And if you're asking me, but Crypto Rover, what is the exact target of the retest? The exact target of the retest will be 59k and $300. So 59k and $300 will be the target where you can open your long position. So let's see. Tomorrow is April Fool's Day. Be careful. That's true. Tomorrow is Fool's Day. Maybe I will be fooling you guys as well, but not with the trades, guys. We are, of course, always very serious with the trades, because once we are talking in trades, we want to be serious, because this is going about serious money, of course. I'm bullish on the like button. Agree. How do you measure the top? This is horizontal. We are right now looking at horizontal resistance level. We're forming an inverse hand and shoulders / a cup and handle. Depends on the scenario that you're looking at, but I prefer looking at the inverse hand and shoulders at the moment. So yeah, this is the neckline. We got rejected multiple times here, but guys, the more times you're retesting a certain level, the more likely it will be that you're going to smash through it. So, guys, looking forward to it. Jane, I will be going later. I will be going later into it. Love it a lot. Love you as well. Thank you for tuning into the channel. And guys, quickly, can we do this right now here? I see that we are rushing with 1,400 people, guys. We're only 48 likes away. 48 likes away before smashing it up to 1,000 likes. Can we still do it? 1,000 likes. That will be, of course, very amazing because then I can give away this mug. So make sure to smash up the likes right away here, guys. I will be probably giving away the mug on my Instagram because I'm very tight with my time, etc. So I will be quickly making a post on my Instagram. And I will be giving it away over there, but I will be only doing it if we're going to reach the 1,000 likes, okay? Make sure to smash it up right now. That will be, of course, very amazing. Anyone accumulating VeChain? Yes, I am. I am accumulating VeChain because I love it. I love the project, and it's still going steady. Do not buy at the top. It will be drop. But, I mean, if you're not buying here, where are you going to buy? Where are you going to buy? Are you going to buy at 70K? Are you going to buy at 80K? Please, dollar cost average in, guys. And we just smashed through the 1,000 likes. Thank you so much for liking the video. Even 1,036 likes. Insane, guys. Insanely thankful. I don't know what to say. Truly lovely. I will be doing the giveaway after the stream because I have to head. I mean, I want to focus these last few minutes on Bitcoin because right now it will be very important what Bitcoin will do here. But I will be giving away this mug here on my Instagram channel. I will be making a story once wrapped up the stream. So make sure to keep an eye out on the Discord, on the Instagram. We'll be giving it away later today. We'll be announcing the winner as well in my story. So just go to my story. Once it is up, make sure to check it over there. Make sure to check it over there. We'll be completely picking a random winner. So looking forward to it to give it away, of course. But Bitcoin looks like it's getting rejected, guys. Looks like it's getting rejected for now on, at least. For now, I'm not saying that it's getting rejected, but for now on, it looks like that we are getting a minor rejection. But still, we are still 37 minutes away before closing this 4-hourly candle, so we can still move ahead of it and then, of course, see this breakthrough playing out. But at the moment, we're still creating a wick, and that's the reason why you do want to be careful. You do want to not rush into anything here. And I first want to see this 4-hourly candle close above, and I see already people saying, please don't go. I'm not going yet. I'm not going yet, but I can't promise you. I can already promise you. I probably cannot see this 4-hourly candle close because I have to head out before that. So I have to go to my barbecue. Sorry, I'm sorry. I already planned this one. Of course, it's beautiful weather over here at my place. So if you want to see that as well, it's also a reason why you can go to the Instagram channel. But yeah, looking forward to it. Looking, Rover's right, dollar cost average. That's completely right, guys. Where are you going to buy your Bitcoin? Where are you going to buy it? So please, dollar cost average in. Even though if this is the top and you're buying the low as well, you're just averaging in on good price. And you know Bitcoin will be going to the moon. Bitcoin will be going towards 100K. But the real question of the day right now is, when is it going towards 100K? And that is the reason why you just already want to accumulate. You already want to accumulate. You want to be ready for the 100K Bitcoin. And also, yeah, can't wait. I can't literally wait here. So guys, let's look at the MACD real quickly. MACD, people are saying, guys, the 1 hour MACD is bearish. I mean, 4 hour MACD is also a little bit bearish, to be honest. 4 hourly almost has this death cross over here. Oh, sorry, my head was in front of it. So 4 hour MACD is looking bearish, to be honest. But 1 hour is looking bullish. People are saying the 1 hour MACD is looking bearish. No, the 1 hour MACD is looking extremely bullish. We're having this this bullish crossover once again. So let's see what we're going to do. And guys, extremely bullish is the on the MACD is of course the one day. You can see on the 1 day, and you always when you're trading Bitcoin, and we on the channel, we are accumulating a lot of swing trades. And if you look to this right now, you can see that we are right now having this golden cross on the MACD. So this is looking extremely good here. And I am looking to, of course, also accumulate swing trades. We are already at approximately 30K profit right now with all the swing trades that I currently have active. And guys, what I can see right here as well here is that the MACD on the daily is also flipping extremely bullish. So is this a good time to open your swing trades to the upside? Yes, I still think it's a good time here, even though we're already trading at high levels. I do think that we're going to move. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but at least in the coming weeks, we will be absolutely moving to the upside. And a new all-time high is imminent for Bitcoin anytime soon here. So having this golden crossover, this is looking very good for the price action of Bitcoin. So we are creating a wick right now on the top side, so also getting a support of the nation. Although everyone is bullish as hell, could you do your TA about your... Wait, what you're saying? Let me check quickly. Although everyone's bullish as hell, could you talk about your emergency exit strategy? The emergency exit strategy video, I will be talking about it, but the emergency exit strategy, I mean, the point here is, my point where all my exit strategy video is about, is basically about exiting Bitcoin once reaching the top. And this is already what I say. We are not at the top yet. We're not at the top, so I am not looking to exit Bitcoin yet. I'm not looking to exit Bitcoin yet, even though there are some manipulations, some signs of the end of the bull run. I don't think it's over yet. I mean, we're getting fooled right now, in my opinion. Of course, I'm still anticipating 100k Bitcoin. I will be waiting, and otherwise I'm only accumulating more Bitcoin once we're dropping. So I don't think that you have to think about an exit strategy yet here, but yes, it is a thing to think about maybe in the coming 2 months here. And that video will be released in any time soon here. The video about the exit strategy will be released, and that is also the reason to get subscribed to the channel right away here, because guys, we are right now exactly 18 more subscribers away from 29.7k here. So can we also, even 16 right now, 2 more OGs just subscribe to the channel here. Big shout out to those 2 guys who just subscribed to the channel. Let me know who it is. But guys, can we also reach the 29.7k? It will be, of course, very cool. Because then we're almost by the 30k, guys. Can we reach the 30k? That will be, of course, very insane. I don't think that we can do it in this stream, but can we do it tomorrow? Yes, I do think so. So tomorrow, probably 3 Litecoin giveaway, guys. So if you want to be a part of the giveaway, you want to be there in the live stream of tomorrow, already set your notification. But you can see, yeah, we are creating a wick on the top side. We're cooling off for a second, but please don't freak out here. That's the reason why you don't want to FOMO into trades. But this is not the end yet. This is not the end yet. You can create wicks everywhere. I do think big wicks on the top side are bearish. I cannot ignore that. Sorry for me being so. But I mean, I cannot ignore that. But I think what I can ignore is that we're just extremely looking bullish on the 4-hour. Of course, we're creating this minor wick as well on the top side. But I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid that we're going to move a little bit lower here. We're bouncing off from this parallel channel to the upside. We're just general in the uptrend for Bitcoin. So this wick getting created, of course, we're getting rejected by the 60k. This is a very, very high anticipated level, of course. If you also look to the inverse head and shoulder scenario, this is a highly anticipated scenario. So yeah, there will be a lot of sell orders over here, and we're not just going to crush through this level. This will be taking a lot of effort to crush through it. So I see Sakada, thank you for support of the nation. And also, Mouse is saying, what is the ideal long price? So let me go into the ideal long price right now. But yeah, it's looking good for Bitcoin, even though this is not just a level that we're just going to smash through. Of course, if we're going to close to 4-hourly above it, this will be extremely bullish. But yeah, we don't want to be seeing the follow through getting created here. We're getting a minus sell order. It's nothing to worry about. Let's see once we're going to smash through it. So, Mouse, you're saying what's the ideal long position? And I do think the ideal long position will be around the 58.2k. I'll say we'll be saying it again. 58.2k will be an ideal long position. So yeah, if we're heading really towards that level, this will be looking like a very good accumulation level. 58.2k. 58.2k here. So yeah. Would love to see you guys also entering some positions, because then we can smash through and crush the market altogether. And guys, also a thing that we can be crushing right now. This is the last time we will be saying it, because after this, probably we'll be wrapping up the stream anytime soon, guys. But we're only 2 subscribers away right now from the 29.7k. So yeah, here your super chat is coming up once again here. But guys, only 2 more subscribers away. Who can help the channel right now here to push it up to 29.7k? That would be, of course, very amazing. But Bitcoin is moving up a little bit more. And I mean, we are creating a wick. I should not freak out all too much. I do still think that we are in an uptrend. Of course, maybe we're going to consolidate. Maybe we're going to go sideways a little bit here, touching this level, then go higher. I do think a move to the upside is imminent anytime soon here. Maybe it will be taking 1 hour. Maybe it will be taking 4 hours. Maybe 8 hours. Let's see what we're going to do. What do you think about the cup and handle? Yes, we are looking at the cup and handle, but you can the price target of the cup and handle, as you can see over here, the cup and handle and inverse head and shoulders is exactly the same. So yes, I feel extremely bullish about the scenario. And guys, yes, we smashed through the 29.7k. Yeah, we smashed through the 29.7k just recently. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. It's really lovely to see. But yeah, I do think that we can be smashing through this level. And this is, of course, a cup and handle scenario and an inverse head and shoulders. So just subscribe. Maurice, sorry. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Boris. Also, thank you, Kellen. Thank you. Random TV, thank you guys. You are all legends. You guys are all legendary. Everyone also who was already subscribed, truly big shout out to everyone who just did it. Volume is still way too low. Yeah, let's check on the volume. I mean, volume is not very nice, to be honest. I have to agree with you. My head is in front of it. But you can see the volume is not all too high. But yeah, let's see how far we can move up. Let's see how far we can move up. I have $250 left. Can you make me rich? It really depends on what your what is your definition of rich. The barbecue will be pumping. Yeah. Guys, still will be doing the mug giveaway on the Instagram. So let me quickly check. Big shout out for everyone. If you still want to win this mug, we'll be giving it away on Instagram after the stream. So definitely make sure to keep an eye out on this one. It's a bull fake out. I mean, you're all over the whole day. You're already bearish. I mean, if we can still smash through this level on the top side, let's see if we can, because then we can definitely look to newer highs. Hello, everyone. Hello, Raven. Thank you. No problem. Big project. Can you do CA on barbecue? I don't know if you're fooling with me or not. But guys, it was an extremely lovely stream. It was extremely lovely to do it once again. We were approximately 3 hours live. Of course, I would love to go live longer, but unfortunately, I have to head out. I have to go for an insane barbecue. It's very nice weather, so I will be going to the barbecue right now. Guys, one more last thing that I will be saying here. Keep an eye out on the 4-hourly close. Keep an eye out on the 4-hourly close where it will be closing. Make sure to set up your own chart as well. But look at the 4-hourly close. And if we can close above the 59.3k here, you can be looking. Of course, I would love to see it maybe closing around the 59.5k or so. The higher, the better. And then you will be looking for the retracement. And then you can be entering your trade around the 59.3k on the FEMX chart. So, guys, it was an amazing stream once again today. I truly love it. We just reached the 29.7k as well here. So if you haven't already, you can right now also subscribe to the channel. If you want to stay up to date about every single thing that we are doing here, every single trade that we are taking, and also all the updates, you have to go to the Discord server. It's right now pinned in the live chat, pinned in the description as well. So make sure to go to there as well. If you also haven't followed me already on Twitter, you can do so also. So yeah, you just stay up to date about everything. And also, the mark giveaway will be done here on Instagram. So I will be checking you guys soon on Instagram. And it was, of course, once again, a very lovely stream. We are getting minor rejected right now, but let's see if we can close it with the next 4-hourly candle, guys. It was a very amazing stream. I truly love it. We reached the 29.7k here. We're doing such a good job here. So it was an amazing stream, guys. And I will be checking you guys once again tomorrow in a new stream. Goodbye.